So dark outside, man. What up, Chad? Good morning. What up? Do you sleep? Of course. Slept at like I think 12. No. I slept like 1 last night. I slept pretty late last night. But of course I slept. The reason why I slept so late was because I was watching the Penguins and Rangers game in overtime. It went to like third overtime and I was like, bruh, such a long game. But it was a good game. The goalie had like 87 saves. It was insane. Anyways, yeah. What up, chat? Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? How you guys doing today? Welcome back. Brand new day. Yeah, 87 saves. I think the record is like 85 or something. I don't know. Hold on. Let me find out real quick. Let me find out. $92 is the most, yeah. So it was so close. Damn. So close. Anyways, chat, good morning. Some of you guys are requesting the old chat back. I may bring it back because like even our clips it doesn't our clips are a lot nicer with the old chat. This chat is kind of like I don't know how to say it, like laggy, I guess. It's weird. All right, let's get into some stuff, chat. So today is FOMC day. If you guys have forgot, today is FOMC. It's not BN bank holiday as well today. It's you have FOMC tonight or today at 2 p.m. Now, I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna be doing a second stream today. Like I may not. I might be busy. Depends. I don't know. Let's see how this NY session goes. All right. But I'm not 100% confirmed. I did do the last 2 FOMC streams on stream. We did an extra stream, but I don't know. Let's see how things kind of look during the NY session for us. But before FOMC, you have ADP non-farm employment. So that's at 8:15 a.m. Eastern. All right. So let's go and put that into focus, I guess, before we forget. This is USD ADP at 8. It's good because it's at 8:15, not 8:30, right? So like let's say you don't trade news, right, and you wait for direction on news to play out before you enter positions. That's perfect. You have 8:15 news and you wait for the 8:30 candle to close, and then boom, 8:30 candle gives you a trade for the 8:15 news push, right? For a continuation of that push. So it's good. I was also telling people that last night I had a couple questions regarding FOMC today, and they're like, yo, like how do you feel about today's candle day count on gold, right? And getting straight into it. Like, yeah, here's my thought process on this today. Let me just send a Zoom call real quick. Keep forgetting. Chat, I'm never drinking coffee again, by the way, too. Like I drank coffee yesterday, I was cracked out till like 3 p.m. and I just crashed. I can't drink coffee, man. Maybe it's like a venti or something, but crash. I always crash. I used to drink coffee before my streams back in the days, like back when I was a little weaker. You know, I couldn't wake up at 6:30 every day. But now that I can just wake up naturally, like I don't even need coffee to stay awake in the morning. It kind of just comes naturally. But coffee is an extra boost, but it just crashes me. I don't know why. This is normal, but it's caffeine, right? I get it, but maybe I have too much caffeine. My tolerance for caffeine ain't high or something. I don't know. Where do you live, Canada? Alright. You drank it too fast? I drank it in like 2 hours. 2-3 hours, I think. Can't hold anything, bro, for real. Alright, so chat, the daily candle on gold here. If you guys take a look here, we closed bullish today, and here's my thought process behind it today. Or the daily analysis, right? So you close bullish today, you create a support down here at like 1850s, and you can say this is your resistance up here, right? Look where price is at. I mentioned yesterday during yesterday's stream that to the next couple of days, or at least the next couple of, I guess the next couple of days, or a day today could be very choppy, because there's no true direction on price from the technical perspective, right? From the price action perspective, there's no true direction in price, because the day prior to that, yes, it was pretty clean. You had a nice closure below this range here. It was obvious that price was going to drive down to fiddle range, right? Price came down, tapped the target, clean. We all knew that was going to happen. But the question was, can you stay below the support? Can you break through? Because guess what? If you don't break through, what's going to happen? Damn, my volume is off. Yeah, anyways, if you don't break through, what's going to happen is you're most likely going to be caught up in this range, right? Because if price doesn't break through, it's gonna, and it closes bullish here, it's within the range again, right? And that's when it gets a bit choppy, because it'll end up doing something like this to the left. It'll end up ranging basically, right? It'll create a support and a resistance. It'll just be choppy here, right? So that's why I'm saying, like, there's no true direction in price here, yet, at least on GJ, or on gold here, because you're just in the range here. And it won't be until I'll say today, I think you have more direction after tonight, because FOMC comes out at 2 p.m, right? And then you have ADP. So after ADP, after FOMC, the hourly candle after FOMC should give you the continuation, the push for FOMC, and then that should drive price for the day. And then tomorrow, if you want to be safe, tomorrow should be a very, very, very good day. And Friday, because you're gonna get a continuation of that push from FOMC tonight. All right, and that's what usually happens to price. You get the FOMC news comes out 3 p.m. You get continuation of price, 3 p.m. Eastern, right? And then tonight during Asian might be a bit choppy, but New York session tomorrow, London session tomorrow should give you a continuation of that push on gold. Let's say push drives. Let's say FOMC numbers come out. They're expecting hike rates, right? So let's say it pushes gold down, for instance, right? So if gold were to push down today during FOMC, you get a continuation of that at 3 p.m. and then Asian will be pretty choppy, but late London or London to New York session is when you'll get that continuation of the push for the sells coming further down. So from the technical perspective, right, technical analysis shows you that that gold should continue to drive down here. Next support is at 1807. That's the next weekly target. I wouldn't be surprised if price were to come down, especially with how they're expecting numbers come out for FOMC, if I'm not wrong. It should push price down, but let's see. Tomorrow you have a clean direction, but today won't be bad too. You can still catch your 10, 15, 20 pips, whatever it is, and maybe even algo day today, who knows. But you do have ADP, you do have that advantage of volume, so just be aware of the upcoming news. All right. But yeah, obviously the bias for the weekly is bearish. The bearish is bias. The daily today is I guess you can say bullish. We did close bullish today, so you can say today's candle can come up to fill his wick potentially, tapping these levels up here at 1880. So I could be looking for some buys today. It's not, I'll be opening some buys obviously, but keep in mind, since the weekly is still bearish, I'm very open to range 2 breakout sells at the same given time. So if I were to look for buys today on gold, I'll probably want to see if we can break above this range up here. If we can break above that range, why does the mouse keep doing this? Hold on. Something ain't right. He's freezing. Weird. Not sure what that is. Anyways, so you have you have this resistance right here on gold here at like 1874, I believe. If price were to close above, I believe there's a high chance we should be able to pop up towards the next resistance. I think this 1 hour resistance goes all the way across to like back here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I can't. Guess not. But the most recent resistance over here, I guess, I can say above 1874, you can see buys going up towards like 1882. That range going up is like 80 pips going up in that range. So you can probably catch a good nice 56 pip range in that 80 pip range in general. So it's not bad, Wait for a closure above, and you should get some nice buys today going up towards the next resistance, up towards 1882. Preferably, so you want to see a closure above, but something like this would be ideal. And then price should continue to drive up towards the next resistance like this, 1882, pretty nicely. So that's probably what I'm going to be looking for today in terms of trading gold. And then for sells, if I'm opening a sells today, range 2 breakouts is what I need. So sells for me would be below 1861 here. If you can get a closure above below 1861 or even below 1859, I think 59 is yes, no, 1882 here. Yeah, 1858 here. Sorry, below 1858, I'll look for my sells coming down towards 1853. It's a 50-pip range going down below there. So whatever is happening in this range, I'm probably gonna stay on. The reason why is because from here to here, I mean, it's still a range 1 for me, right? And then below here would be ideal sells, right? Below 1862, but below 1862, you have support off the rip. So you might as well delete that line and draw a line down here. And if you draw a line down towards here, the range going down is like 30 pips in this area. Right, it's a 30 pip range going down in this area. And looking left here, you have another support going across right here. So you have a support right here off the rip. So like if you take a sell, you have to be cautious of that support. So it's like, okay, well, now if I were to move my support down towards there instead, look for sells below there, the range becomes like a 10 pip range going down. So at that point, it's like, well, you might as well wait for the cleanest range, and the cleanest range for you is below 1858, and it makes the most logical sense too, because that's the biggest range as well. That's a 50 pip range going down for sells. All right, so if I'm looking for sells today, I need a range 2 breakout, and the range 2 breakout would be below 1858.058 or 050 going down. But that's kind of what I have today for gold. All right, but these are the ranges I have today, kind of. You got this range where I'm staying out of, right? This range right now, this is the range we're gonna spend the majority of today's session in. The buys above here are pretty clean. Buys above here are obviously pretty clean, and then sells below here are pretty clean, and then sells below here are pretty clean. But for the most part, from 1874 to 1858 will be your choppiest range of the day. So yeah, that is what we're gonna be looking for today. And then GJ here, GJ for the weekly looks like we are bearish for the week. We're coming down to rebreak the low, so it's a pretty nice position to be in for GJ, to be honest with you. GJ looks very good this week. You had this resistance up here formed, you have the support down here. This week's candle should come down pretty nicely, coming down towards the next support here to fill that wick and fill that range coming down towards like 161, I'll say. So this is ideally what you're looking for today, or in terms of the weekly candle. You have about 2 days left in this weekly candle too, so price should start moving today. The daily close yesterday doji, so you're still below this level here. If you guys take a look, you're at this resistance here, you have the support down here, you can say. And with us closing doji, you can kind of say nothing happened yesterday. You opened up here and you closed right there, so therefore nothing happened. You would expect today's candle to drive down towards the next support like this if it were to break the low. So after the top gets created, I was expected to be tapped at like 163,500. Once you reflip bearish and break the lows at like 162, what is this? 162,300, 162,260. Once that low breaks, you should come down towards like 160 pretty nicely, coming down towards the next support, right? Ideally like this. So that should be pretty nice. Off of the daily, I believe sells would be below around that level there, the rebreaker low. So that would be below here if I'm not wrong. This is good. This is real good. Sells will be below like 162,300 here. All right, below 162,300, you can take sells coming down towards like 161,453, and that should be your clean range driving down price. But yeah, that will be the sells that we'll be looking for. That will match perfectly with the weekly time frame / the daily time frame. And then buys for me would be a range 2 breakout, so that would be above here, I'll say above 163,745, sorry, 724, going up towards 164,141. All right, above the next resistance like this. So that's probably what I'm looking for today. Range 2 breakouts above here, and boom, that's the day. All right, so overall what you want today is probably to avoid this range on GJ. Well, I'm gonna be avoiding this range. You can do whatever you want, right? But I'm avoiding this range on GJ from 163,724 to 163,300. That might change later if you get a range 2 within this level, but right now you don't have a range 2 yet. And then sells will be below here. That would be clean. And then buys will be above here and above here. So sells below here in continuation and buys above in continuation. But this range right now I'm staying on the red range. So that's both pairs right now. That's GJ and that's gold. Yeah, chat. I think you have interest rates tomorrow. You have interest rates tomorrow at 7 a.m. tomorrow for the pound for the pound. And if I'm not wrong, they should follow they're raising rates, they're hiking rates again to 1%. So from like a 0.75 to 1%. And therefore pound should continue to push up. So I wouldn't be surprised if today you see price pushing down before you get a continuation of that tomorrow, because technical analysis does show you that sells are valid today, right, with the weekly, and there's no directional bias just yet. Maybe if you close tonight, it'll give you a direction for tomorrow, but I believe today's candle, I wouldn't be surprised if it just drives down towards like 161.450 before we start to head up towards next resistance. So sells below 162.300 are pretty valid, and same thing with gold too. I mean, gold today you have FOMC, they're doing the same thing. They're looking to increase rates to like 1%, right? So from 0.50 to like a 0.1% or 1.0%, and that should push price down for gold today, right? Because that's good for a dollar, obviously good for the banks. So that's interesting. Yeah, it makes sense. Sells make sense today. I mean, the technical analysis makes sense again, right? But regardless, like, doesn't matter how news comes out. It comes out good or bad. Doesn't matter if markets give you like some type of manipulation, right? Doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, price action is price action, and as long as you follow price action, you should be fine. As long as, like, I'm not trading news. I'm not gonna be having buys and sell stops for news, for FOMC or interest rates for tomorrow for the pound. I'm gonna be simply just watching the way the market turns and moves, and then just hopping on the train basically. So if you get a positive direction on the pound yen, then you look for buyers tomorrow, right? Simple. With price action, obviously, right? But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna be looking for today. Tomorrow should be pretty clean. Next couple of days, but tomorrow, chat, Thursday, Friday should be your cleanest days this week. I'll tell you that. You can clip that, ship that. I'll catch you on Thursday and Friday, right? When we move hundreds and hundreds of pips. You guys be like, damn, down 100. No, just experience, man. Experience, right? You'll get a lot of volume on Thursday and Friday, trust me. So if you can't trade news today, then don't worry, don't trip. It won't be like, it'll be the push, obviously. It'll be the breakout push, but you'll get continuation of price eventually, right? So yeah, exactly.
I guess we'll never know.
All right, but yo, we that was perfect. That analysis led us to the 1 hour closure here, and as you can see, the GJ has closed bullish on the hourly candle here, so there's nothing for me here. But the gold has closed bearish here, so this is good. Daily is bullish. I mean, this is a range 1 still. This is a range 2. Sells aren't bad, but oh, nothing here for me today just yet. Alrighty. Trades taken. You're right. Thank you. I gotta delete that. That was from last night, or that was from yesterday during the New York session, in case you guys missed the stream. And then GJ breakdown. Okay, chat. I keep forgetting to put the previous breakdowns in every time I do a breakdown on stream, but I guess it's because I do a breakdown every 5-minute candle. working on a little PDF. Well, I think it's done. He's got proofread and stuff, but I'm gonna send it to Marco, see what he has to say on it. Did basically a little Word document explaining risk to reward and why we manage risk the way we do, and why sometimes stocks are bigger and sometimes stocks are smaller, because people don't understand the simple concept of, you know, like you don't have to have a 1 to 36 RR trade to win a trade, you know. And I just put it together in a little like document, just so that every time someone comes in and says, yo, like, why do you close half at 10, you know, like we have it up there, we don't gotta worry about it. Just exclamation point our monster or something, and the link will pop up, right? Speaking about Marcos, good morning.
What up, motherfucker?
What up, motherfucker?
Talk about the RR monsters.
Risky? I don't believe in risky. Risky from the definition of risky for me means no trades. If I take a trade, it's not a risky trade in terms of my my observation for the trade, right? So whatever I'm looking at within that trade, I need confirmations to align that trade. If I don't get confirmations, I'm entering. So whenever I do enter a trade, from my perspective, from the way I viewed it, it wouldn't be risky, right? But from your perspective, it might be risky because you might not trade the same way, right? You might have different confirmations, you might have different confluences, so that's why it might be risky. But for me, every trade I take, the wins, losses I took this year on stream in a single channel have never been impulsive, or in other terms, risky, because we don't take impulse, right? And we wait for actual confirmations in price, and that's why sometimes we sit here for hours waiting for a trade. Sometimes, you know, we might not even get a trade in a day. So for me, there's no such thing as risky. Risky is not in my vocabulary in trading. You know, stream. Yeah, risky is like if you take a trade and you, like, okay, risky is more so like, let's say you have a confirmation of trades there. Let's say you have a playbook, right? So let's say our playbook, for instance. Let's say you have all these trades that you imagine yourself taking, and this is all you want to take, all these trades, right? Nothing else. If you take something outside of this analysis, then yes, that's risky, because you haven't sample sized it enough. You don't have no data on it. You have no confirmations of how often it plays out versus how often it doesn't play out. So you can say, yeah, it's a risky trade. It's a fuck it trade, right? It's a fuck it. I'm just gonna take a trade because I want to take a trade. That's what a risky trade is. But risk like this shit, no, man. It's the same shit we do every day, right? Yeah, delete the word risky from your trading. But
Trading is risky.
Only way you know if you're taking risky trades is obviously if you have a plan, right? If you don't have a plan, then every trade is risky for you.
every trade's risky regardless.
Yeah.
By definition, there's a chance you're gonna lose money, so it's risky. Yes.
Yeah, I guess there's like type 1 risky and type 2 risky. Remember we had the type 1 FOMO, type 2 FOMO? That's what it is.
Yeah, I just the definition of risk is a situation that will expose you to danger, and in this case, a situation that's going to expose you to losing money. There are 0 trades that you can get in with 0 chance of losing, right? So every trade's risky. I look tired. Yeah, I just got back from the gym and I need my coffee.
Yo,
pass out.
You got me fucked up last night, man.
Why?
You know, people say they drink, you got me fucked up, bro. I drank that coffee. I was up to 3 p.m. I was doing the most. I was like, yo, I want to play hockey right now. I was calling a bunch of like hockey program, like, yo, I'm trying to play. And then I was playing NHL. I was also tired at the same time, but I wasn't tired. I was like, yo, caffeine, I can't. Venti.
You ever seen that scene, Alvin and the Chipmunks, when they give the chipmunks coffee? Bro. And they start bouncing off the walls?
Oh, yeah.
That's you.
Bro, I'm Alvin, man. I'm Alvin, man.
Alvin, man. Waiting for a closure. No.
His voice is way deeper. It's like this
Closure
deep.
below.
Closure.
It's like that deep, bro. Or no, that high pitch.
You probably already covered it, but are you streaming FOMC?
Yeah, so I don't know. I have no confirmation. I don't know. It depends how the session is, but I don't know. I might be busy. I don't know. I might be busy. That's why I want to, but I'll see. It's at 2
sure
p.m.
We'll be in the Discord regardless.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll call a signal if I see something, but I may not stream. Maybe. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. You guys want me to stream, chat?
Yeah.
Of course you guys want me to stream. Of course. What kind of question is that? Why am I asking the chat? Yes, please stream, Don, please. A poll, there's no point. Everyone's gonna say yes, of course. I want to stream too, don't get me wrong, but
Hey, listen, I'll be trading.
yo, Marco's streaming. Marcos, fuck it.
No, I'm not streaming. I'm about that life. Sorry, chat. I'll stream FIFA. I won the D1 title yesterday.
What a sweat.
No losses. Real Madrid. 7 wins, 2 ties. You know the vibes.
Eating yellow snow is risky. Why? Man. So what I got the last I seen yellow snow. In elementary school, man, every corner of school had yellow snow. Kipling is Yellow Town, right? You mean in Toronto? First of all, we don't use the word town in Toronto. It's a whole city. We don't use the word town in Canada. I don't think so. I don't think anyone uses the word town. I never heard people say town. People say like ends, like this is my ends, like this is this end, you know, like you know
this
what I
is
mean?
my ends.
Yeah, like this is my end, like this is my area type.
Sounds British.
Yeah, and then, but like town, man, you came from Alabama.
I grew up in a small town. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world.
Toronto has one city, but like people who's like from like Mississauga and like outside like the like I don't know, they would say yeah, I'm from Toronto, but they're not truly from Toronto.
Tyler said he's a townie.
Yeah, Toronto definitely has a huge inspiration of UK slang for sure. I would 100%. But
there's only towns and cities in the US, right? Towns and cities. I live in a town.
Same shit, no?
No, city big. I would never call my town a city.
Really, bro? I feel like in Toronto, like we don't use the word town at all. I never heard that. I never heard anyone say the word town.
Bro, my town had like 4 farms. My graduating class was 200 people. It was not a city. There's no McDonald's, no Walmart, no Target, no Wendy. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we live next to a city.
Honestly, you can get from like, so like how long would it take to get from one end of the city to the other end of the city?
Town.
Like one end, like let's say you have, like what city were you in Boston?
Like if you're in a city.
Like one whole city from one end to the other end. How long would that take?
It depends. Like if you're talking New York City, or you're talking like a small city,
like your city, like your old city, like you're in Boston.
To get from that one end of Boston to the other, like over an hour, unless you're going through like the shortest distance. You know what I'm saying?
An hour, yeah, that's not bad.
Because some cities are long, so you could go from like the short end to the short end. But if you wanted to go from like the furthest end, like Southie, to the north end, like I don't know, it depends. There's traffic, man.
How like a bus ride, like a train ride, like, you know. I don't know, man. Never heard of word. I never heard anyone use the word town ever in Toronto. It's
Yo, this guy got the almighty universal hammer, bro. Every single bar. The universal Thor's hammer.
Damn, 4 mods were on you for that one. Damn.
Yo, beat your ass. That dude got jumped.
What did you do,
back.
brother?
Fight back.
What was his name? What was his name? Rico. I mean, I can check for I can check for you, but you only have to say it once, man. Sheesh. What's your chart? This one classified?
Yo, fight back.
You spam 6 times to show me a cowboy sniper entry. Nice. I mean, yeah, good trade, man. It's not my trading style, but I can see why you entered. Double top here for you, right? Not bad. Pretty good position. 50 pips, 40 pips. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Yeah. No text on the chart, nothing. You spam for that?
Yeah, no text, nothing.
That man
no.
spammed just to flex. There wasn't a single word on that chart. No feedback.
Bias is bullish, 22% per trade. Nice. Nice risk. What else you got going on? Sells below, closure below, range 2. Yeah, it's not bad. Bias, yeah. Bias above would be very ideal on gold, yep. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Pretty nice chart. What's this? Sells below here. Bias is bearish, 22% risk per trade. Nice, I love it. Sells closure below, sells closure below, perfect. I like the ranges. Exactly what I got on my screen. Or yeah. Is it? I got 162,300. I got below that whole range in general, but I can see it's kind of the same level roughly. I got below here off of the 1 hour and 30. But yeah, not bad, man. Good work. London Nav. Bias is bearish for a day. Pound yen, okay. Range 2 breakout on a 1 hour. You see. Yeah, it's not a. So what happened? It played out or no? Oh no, it didn't, right? I think because of this resistance or nav, there's a resistance right here at like 162. 162.800 right here off of this. So I think if you were aware of that, you would not have been caught in that. Going across too, right? Even this whole level makes sense too. Obviously, you got a closure below here, you came down. So that was clean. That was a clean support resistance. You got a closure above, you came up, right? Closure below, you came down. So this support is pretty heavy at 162.817. I think you just kind of missed that, but overall, it's not a bad trade. I can see the idea behind that trade, but you could have avoided it, in a way if you just looked a little steeper. Also some regular highs, price daily broke highs. Nice, good trade. Yeah, pretty good trade. Close that break even, risk free towards TP. Yep, pretty good. What time was that? This is off of 30. That was right here, right? No top wick though. Oh no, that was after. Oh, that was over here. Oh yeah, and I don't know. For me, I would have stayed out because there's a resistance here, but at least you got out break even. You were fine. You survived. You were good. But for me, at least I would have stayed out. I had the resistance pretty heavy at 1871. I would have just waited for above 74. To be honest, not bad though. Nice little bottom wick too. Yeah, I don't know if I would have taken that, but not the worst trade. It's pretty decent. How can I download your Excel sheet? There should be a link right there, bro. Yesterday someone asked me, like, it's not their fault too, but they're like, yo, like, how can I pay for the spreadsheet? I'm like, pay for the spreadsheet? What are these mentors charging you out there? Like, man, there's no reason you should be paying for a spreadsheet. It's a Google Doc, man. Like, it's gonna be free eventually if you just send and copy, you know. $30. Damn, man. Are they really trading or what? Are they making money off of sales from Excel sheets? Come on, what are we doing here, man? People actually sell their Forex spreadsheet. I actually can't believe that. That's insane. That's like down bad. I mean, people can charge whatever they want to charge at the end of the day, right? But damn, man, for a spreadsheet? Really? I'm pretty sure someone out there sells our spreadsheet. Which reminds me, we need that watermark, Marcos. I forgot.
I know.
I don't know how to add one. Let's do it right now. How to add a water
That's what I just did.
mark.
Insert header and footer. That's XO. Must be the same, right?
Insert header. Going Peter, open a document on Google Docs. Go to insert watermark. I mean, where's insert watermark? Might need browser for this, not gonna lie.
Insert watermark is a option.
Apparently, that's Google. That's Google Docs though. Where's Google Sheets?
Insert image.
It's image.
Oversells, maybe. Insert image oversells, maybe.
Oh no, you need to make it a PDF first. But if you make it a PDF first, you can't use it.
I got it.
You have
Insert
access to it? Do you want to do it for me?
Insert image oversells. No, just insert image oversells. And then I think you can. Now you just have to figure out the transparency. Upload, and then I picked the devious logo. But now I'm trying to figure out how to do the transparency.
All right, let me try this.
Hey baby, it's me. I was just calling to chat with you a little bit. I miss you a lot.
How do you do oversell though?
Insert, and then I put insert image oversells because it's insert then image, and then there's two options for image. But I don't know how to make it transparent. That's the only problem.
I got it. Okay,
Like
so
not like opacity, not transparency.
opacity.
Yeah.
How do I? Okay, so I got this. How do I Chat, I need your help. I need. You don't have the square background on it.
Everybody fucking slept in that class, huh?
Oh right, so I can do this across the whole spreadsheet. And now I gotta copy this to every slide though. This seems like a
Oh no, not 5 minutes of work, chat.
yeah. I got no time. I gotta wait for a 5-minute closure. Let me Google it real quick. How to change opacity? Chat, Google's your best friend, you know. Opacity of image and Google Slides. Right click on the image. Okay, right click on the image. Where's the transparency slider? There should be that somewhere. Is it here? Nope. Here? Nope.
Conditional formatting. Oh no, that's not gonna do it.
Wait, why is it using my Google Doc one, not Google Slides? Alright. Format options, okay. Bio, format options. Additional formatting, I guess, right? Per slide. Okay. Format. Oh, let me just change this. Format options. I'm lost in the sauce, guys. Yep. Insert image. Okay, I got the image. Yeah, I got the image. But I need to change the opacity. You need your signature and playbooks? Nah. Because it's already name's already on there. It's just this we need to think for. To be honest. Like I said, it seems like a later problem. Waiting for a closure. Hold on, wait, I found it.
You can maybe do it in like maybe TVX can make it opaque in Photoshop.
No, I can't, because then it won't translate to the Google Doc. Like it would just translate on like that logo, but it won't translate on the actual Google Doc. Actually, maybe it might, but
I don't know.
there should be a way. I'm pretty sure. I just don't know why it doesn't show Why can't I just right click this? Adjustments, transparency. This is a cell. I can't select the image and edit the image for some reason. I guess it's not a cell, right? That's probably why. I'm just select the cell. If I do that, then I could probably do it, but it won't be the whole cell after. I don't know. Badger? Anyone here? Yo, on the page layout tab in the page setup group, click background, select the image if you want. This is a sheet background, and then click insert. Okay, on the image on the page layout tab. So page. Click background. Where's the background? Where's the layout tab? I don't see a layout tab.
You see Badger's text?
No.
He said he just needs the original pics.
Okay, I got you. I'll send it to you. Where did he send it? Okay. I'll give you a DM. Let. Here we go. I sent it to Discord, man. The PNG file. Anyways, chat, it's pretty dope. Yeah, that was my second option, pip magnet. But if we can just, lower the opacity on the water on the Google Docs, would be a lot cleaner. Either or. Don't send feed pics. Hey yo, bruh. I know we haven't taken a trip for like 20 hours, but hey yo. Can you give me an example of good trading and explain? Yeah, go on our highlights here, our IG clips here. We show every single trade we take on stream basically, and these are all good trades that played out. And plus there's like a little explanation there too. Or go on our spreadsheet somewhere somehow, and on our spreadsheet you will see trades taken, right? So as you see trades taken here, it shows a timestamp and the time it was sent at. Go back a little bit and you will see an explanation before the trade. So yeah, it's on the spreadsheet, man. Why do you think the sells clean traffic? You're a little late to the stream, sir. My bias today is bullish. I want sells below 1858. 1858 for me. No sells below 1866 is a range one breakout. If it drives below there, but I'm not interested in sells below there. If otherwise, I would have got in already off the 1 hour candle, right? But I believe a buy above 1874 would be a lot cleaner. I'm avoiding this range here from 1874 to 1866 or 1858. Let's go back and watch the morning recap, Chat confirm. I'm going to the Dominican on like in June, so I won't be here June 5th. Next up, we gotta confirm Vancouver, but I'm pretty sure that's we're 80% going, right? 80% sure we're going to Vancouver, so
Just need to get the ticks.
gonna be lit, man. We're in August, right? So that's like we can literally get tickets in June. I need coffee, bro. You going to stream, bro? I know, man. I don't know. I guess week's 9. I mean, you guys have a Discord community still, but for 2 weeks no stream, that's kind of long. That's the longest break I've taken since like Christmas break. I mean, it's a mid-year break, I guess. Just vibe, just chill out, right? Get my mind refreshed, even though I don't really need a mind refreshment. When's that? June 5th, in about a month. So I'm gonna be gone from like June 5th to like June 19th probably. The stream will cut off on like the Friday, June 3rd, and then we'll come back on June 13th. I hope that week we range, so we don't have to. You guys don't have FOMO over anything. You guys will be fine, man. You guys got all the tools to do whatever you guys gotta do, right? Hey, is this a fake out here? Oh no, it's not. It's not really a fake out. This buy ain't bad. Yeah, nice bottom wick here too. Pretty decent. You got a closure above here at support. How big is that range going up though? Yeah, it's not bad. The bias is bullish. You can get like a nice 25 range going up, potentially even 60 before NY open. I think you need a steeper bottom wick though. I want to see like if we can get like 1866, it's not bad. You can probably be able to pop up towards like 1869 minimum, and that's like a 10-foot range going up minimum, and you're risk free anyways, right? And then you got runners towards TP. But I think a decent top wick, a steeper top wick on a 1 hour is what you need. On 30, sorry, not the 1 hour, on 30. So you have the support here, right? Which price is bounced off of. This is a range you're kind of creating right now off the 1 hour on 30. If you have bullish channel closure support, it indicates that this is an onion play. You can take buys going back up to retest the highs. And then with the 80M candle, if you're anticipating price to drive up, you should fill the range at 1874 pretty nicely. You just need a steeper bottom wick here. And then break the highs, and then boom. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, it's not bad, chat. It's not bad. If we can come down to like 1867 and then flip, I'm gonna consider buy stops. Because the bias is bullish, right? And this is what you're expecting this candle to do before NY. 8:15, you have news too. You should be out before then though. I think for ADP today, they're expecting, if I'm not wrong, let's see. They're expecting bad numbers. Yeah, they're expecting bad numbers. So a lot worse too. So it makes perfect sense. Lines up. Yeah, I'm talking about the daily bias. Go back and watch the recap though. Like, please go back and watch it, because like I explained like why I was bullish today and why tomorrow and FOMC today will come to effect, and moving forward what to expect for tomorrow and so forth, right? So just go back and watch like the first like 10 minutes of the stream. It'll be worth it, trust me. We talked about like fundamentals, the fundamental side of it. We talked about everything for it this morning. I just want to repeat it, right? It's a long analysis. Michael, yo, where's the mic, Michael? Does it work?
I honestly didn't even set it up.
Bruh, you had a
I
whole
tried.
day.
I tried, and then it didn't work for like the first 20 minutes.
All right,
then I
here,
went for a walk.
do it right now. Just copy my settings. I got you. I'll show you everything on the Go Stellar. Download the Go Stellar thing first, and then once you have this,
I have
yeah,
the Go
here.
Stellar app.
All right. Let me know when you're ready, cause I'll show you everything right now, just so it's quick for you. It won't take that long. I got good settings too. Well, to my background at least.
20.
Nah. So here, no. Go to mic setup, and then go to condenser, and then go to the gain to 62 dB.
62.
Yeah, dB condenser. Make sure it's on condenser though.
Whoa. That just changed so much.
Yeah. And then go to gate, and then on gate, screenshot this. Once you screenshot, let me know, or just change it.
Got it.
And then okay, now go to equalizer, and then this is equalizer.
Just all ones. Oh.
1, 4 ones and 3 negative ones. And then 3 and a 1. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. Now go compressor. Compressor is this.
Is that -7?
Yeah, -7 dB, 41 RR, 8 ms, and then 85 ms for release, and then makeup gain is 0 dB. And then go to decessor. I mean, this is irrelevant, but I put mine at 19. I slur my words quite often, so 0.19. And then okay, after you have that done, go to not mixer. Yeah, actually no, it doesn't matter. You can change it on your own, I think. Go to what was it? Routing. This is my routing settings. This is how I have everything kind of connected. So like,
Oh, thank God the no headphones mic, because
yeah, you can do that if you want to hear yourself, like you want to test your mic, but I turn it off if I don't want to hear myself. And then
got it.
all right, how's that sound?
Let's see. Does this mic have a?
But now you gotta
on
change.
button?
You gotta change your Zoom audio. My Zoom audio is this. You gotta change it to broadcast stream mix. And then the speaker is on my voice chat because it goes through the chat, right? And then all that stuff I think could be found if you go to volume settings. You go
You hear
to
me?
yeah.
Wait, I have to unplug it.
Oh shit.
What about now?
Hey yo.
Is that good audio?
Yeah, it's a lot better. Sounds like you're on a podcast.
Hey,
Hey yo, Wixnine, you need to level up. Come on.
yo, y'all can hit me in. You can hear me in 4K. Oh, I can hear myself in 4K. Hey yo.
Hey yo. Took you 5 minutes there. Simple. Yo, shut up, bro. No, if you want to do ASMR, you gotta turn your noise gate to 0. If you turn noise gate to 0 and you do that stuff, you hear everything. You hear like yourself farting and shit. Like you hear everything. It's crazy. It picks up everything.
I can't even take this serious. Now I'm self-conscious of every noise.
You gotta turn it up a little bit though. Your voice chat. My voice chat is set to like max. Like my mic is set to max, and then my music is set to like, I mean, it's whatever. But voice is set to max, and then voice chat is set to like max or mid, to whatever level I can hear you at.
Is that better?
Yeah, but I hear an echo now.
What about now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Too loud. That's that Joe Rogan mic.
Now it's too quiet. You gotta turn it up a little bit. Louder.
Test.
I don't want to hear an echo on your end.
What about now?
Yeah, it's better. It's better. It's better. Yeah,
There we go.
that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Turn up mic and turn down voice chat.
Yeah, time to take buys on gold. I was waiting for a stupid bond on wick on gold to take a buy here, but I think at this point, I think I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle to close in about 20 minutes here, and if the 1 hour candle closes above 1868 in about 20 minutes, I'll take a buy going up towards 1872 and so forth. But I think you need I think you definitely need a 1 hour closure here first above this range here. There's a minor resistance here. You might as well wait for a closure now in 20 minutes, right? It took too long to create a bond on wick. And I was expecting a stupid bond on wick too. If it drives, but wait for the 1 hour here. It should be good. Clean. You might have to play around settings if you want later, but I think you got the most of it done. The hard part. So this is what you kind of want here at 8 AM here. You want to close above 6.8, 6.9 levels, right? In about 20. That's what I said. 6.8, 6.8.946. Basically 6.9. It's like a 1 pip away. Same levels. The 30-minute candle wasn't bad though. 30 was not bad because the 30-minute candle did close above here, but I was expecting a steeper bottom wick here. And the entry would have been the break of the highs and previous candle stops. It would make a 28 pip stop here. We probably would have been activated by now. And TP would have been up here, but I was expecting a steeper bottom wick, tapping like 6.7 at least, or 6.7 500. It's all right. Yeah, it's also the 1 hour too, so it's a lot cleaner with the 4 being bullish already, right? Everything kind of aligns. When I wait for 70, because from 6.9 here, right? If you got close above 6.9 to 70, like the next resistance here, that's 19 pips. At that point, you're risk free anyways. You're risk free, right? And then you letting the trade run to risk free until TP, because that's a pretty heavy resistance. Your movement stops to break even minimum. So it doesn't matter if there's a resistance there. You're stopped at break even there. Then you let the rest run towards 7.4, right? I mean, if you want buys above there, then you gotta wait for above 7.1. But above 7.1, you might as well wait for buys above 7.4. It's either you take buys off the onion play on the 1 hour onion play, or you take buys above the range for the breakout. Those are your two options. Oh, now I can hear your background audio low. I think
Background audio.
like if you play a video, I can hear that, I think.
Oh, did you just hear that?
Yeah, I think you can turn it off though for the stream. If you go to like, because my settings are for the stream, right? I think if you go to routing, you go on like system chat mic, you turn that off. You don't hear you don't hear your videos that you play.
Oh, turn off music for chat mic.
Yeah, turn off music and turn
Alright,
off
watch.
like everything
Mic
else.
test. You can hear that.
Yeah, I can hear Kanye.
Alright.
Yeah, turn off
Check now.
I think it's broadcast remix. Turn that off
Can you
too.
hear it?
Yeah, I can turn off broadcast stream, like chat and broadcast stream, and then turn off this like all the system ones, because system and mic ones. Turn off everything in that, because you don't. Yeah, turn this off and turn this off. Those two.
How about now?
Yeah, it's better.
Good. Yeah, it's because you only want my voice for broadcast.
Yeah. Pretty simple. Sounds like I can hear the P-Hub theme music. Hey, yo, Marcos, what are you watching?
I had the Gary V podcast that just came out for Impulsive.
You got 9 pips there. Nice. Yeah, if you guys enter on the break of the highs there, I think at this point you're break even. You're tapping into a pretty major level here. Stops at break even, or at least move stops to the current kind of low if you want. But overall, like risk free, and then leave runners towards the 18.74. It's not bad. Yeah, this kind of should push up a little further. It should push up towards like 1870, 487. That should give you the nice like 12 pips at that point. And at that point, you want to close partials, or 17 pips. Sorry, that's 17. But for the most part, I think a lot of you guys should be risk free minimum here. Minimum. Pretty not bad. Not bad. I'm not in any trades, but you draw your zones wrong. There's no such thing as drawing my zones wrong. The zones are based off of my levels, right? The reason why I don't have zones here and zones here is because there's no point of having zones there. What's the point? There's no buys there for me. I'm looking for buys either if you get a 1 hour closure at the onion play. I want this count to retrace obviously and close above 6.9, because from there to this resistance here, right, the major resistance that you have your zone marked at, probably that's going to be your advantage point. You're risk free there. And then if I'm not looking for buys above 7.1, there's no point of putting a zone here, because I'm looking for buys above 7.4 after. So I'm putting my zones at levels where I'm taking buys above, right? I'm not just putting zones at like every minor form of resistance, because like there's no need to. It makes your chart just kind of look chalked, right? Yeah, good stuff, JXTR. Nice 10 pips for you. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm not saying like I'm not drawing my, I'm perfect. I'm gonna draw my zones perfect. I'm drawing off of my own judgment, right? My own judgment is what I just explained, right? You might have a different judgment. You might be looking for different trade setups. You're looking for a closure above like this range probably for buys, right? I was referring this trade to more of the onion play, right? And to actual to an actual closure above here, because you already have the daily being bullish already. You already have the 4 being bullish already. You already have the 4 support being created. You already have the 1 hour. Is the only time frame that's not confirmed it. But if you retrace here, the next 1 hour count should pop up. But you gotta retrace to like 6.9 here, right? 6.9, and then you push up towards 7.1 pretty nicely. The next alley candle, wouldn't be surprised. You just gotta close above here, right? If you get a closure above there, you get a closure above 7.1. 7.1 isn't bad too, but let's see. 7.2 I'll say for the most part. 7.2. No, yeah, like, but like if you have your levels marked up differently, leave it whatever your levels marked up at. You know, you don't have your levels. You don't need to have your levels marked up exactly where mine are, right? You have a different judgment on it. So just have it wherever you have it up, and then take positions off of your levels, right? Not my levels, because we're different people. We have different perspectives on it, right? And that's okay. That's why it's so important, chat, to come to the morning, like the morning analysis off the rip, because you don't miss any of this stuff, right? The stuff that I explained. Because I explained all this already. Why I have levels up here, not like within these levels here. GJ, yeah, GJ's not bad. I want subs below. I want to see the 4 break the lows first, and then subs below 162.300. That should come the next hourly candle. 8 a.m. 8:30 should be good. How long will we be live today? To like 10 probably. Oh, we got more people here. Where's Biggs at? Hey, yo. Wick's here. What up,
Hey,
mean?
man.
The wee man's here.
Just get like a fun flex intro. You know, like the.
Hey, we're all wearing white today.
Hey.
Yeah, I've never seen Wixon wear white in my life.
Wix got the wrong mic on though.
Yo, Wix,
Wrong
you
mic.
need our mic.
Oh, because.
Marco's got
You're
it.
gonna say you need a Go XLR. Then you're gonna say you need a Stream Deck.
Yeah, yo, that's just one bouncy castle, bro. Don't worry.
It's easy. Very, very easy.
Tiny bed in the basement. Hey, yo, what do you got down there? It's like got everything in the base. Look at the theater. Look at the tanning bed. Yo, Tyler, T-Base got everything.
Motherfuckers using the tanning bed in the basement. Who the fuck is using your tanning bed? Who's in your basement using your tanning bed? It's like back in the 90s, there was a commercial for like Bud Light, I think. And it was like a family sitting at home, and then there's a phone call. And then she picks up the phone and she's like, the phone is ringing from inside the house. Call is coming from inside the house. It's like a penguin in a different room. Like a little pudgy penguin sitting in a different room dialing them up.
Pudgy.
Marcos would love that. Motherfuckers using my tanning bed are coming from inside the house.
We would have hit break even there. So in case you guys had FOMO over it, like we would have, if I was being that trade, I would have closed half at 10 and then break even, and then boom, stops at break even. So don't feel too bad about it. Nothing happened. It's not like you pushed up, you know, the whole entire move.
It's a good question. Indica or sativa for trading?
What?
What's go on with your the top 1%ers and why you're different?
I don't know, man. I'm not normal. My existence here isn't standard operating procedure. Just, you know, like, this is breakfast.
This is breakfast.
Yo,
And this is a indica dominant hybrid.
how you make your voice deep, Don?
Pardon?
You just gotta
How'd you
be
make your
Wix
voice
9. Be Wix 9.
That's just my real voice, man.
No, shut your mouth.
This is my real voice. I swear this is my real voice. No.
With the buttons. No, with the buttons. How'd you do the
It's called
mark-
puberty. bro.
Oh no, that's also my real voice too.
You're like, oh shit.
Wrong one.
What does this do? No, it doesn't. It's not set up.
You go on the FX, and then you click on the pitch, you put it to the left.
And then that should give you the voice effect.
What does the megaphone button do?
Uh-oh, let's try it. Wait, no, try it at like 3 a.m. Try it in London session.
What happened to the sheet? Oh, it's limited functions. Fuck. Maybe we can put like in the bottom corner or something probably then. Or I guess for is there a way we can put it at the bottom of every like set it to like every sheet when it starts off shows the logo, but as you add more data, it shifts slowly to the bottom of it. Does that make sense? Like, let's say for May, it'll be around here right now. It'll be around here, and then for April, since it took a lot of trades, it will go down the bottom. That's fine. I'll be
There's
okay with
ways
that.
to do watermarks, but
Yeah, but not a Google Sheet's a little more complex.
Google it.
No, we did already. We did. You're a little late, sir. We went through the struggles already.
Yeah, I don't go through the struggles. I let other girls go through the struggles, and then I'm like, hey, how was your struggle? Was it fun? How'd you solve it?
Yeah, you have
So,
a 1 hour onion here, Wix.
Yeah, first you need a 1 hour close. Let's get a 1 hour close.
5 minutes.
Sir Wicks, is weed good for trading? Sir Wicks, when they call me Sir Wicks, I feel like a knight. Like I haven't been knighted by the queen yet. You guys don't have to call me Sir Wicks. Sir Wicks, is weed good for trading? I want to increase my profit, sir. No, it's terrible for trading. Like Don said, I'm not normal. It's standard and normal for me because my like smoking weed is just the norm for me. Like, you know, that's my shit. That's what I do. You go to the movie theater, I smoke weed. So that's normal for you. This is normal for me. But it's not good for trading when we are talking about the majority, and you know, 90% of the people shouldn't be smoking. They shouldn't be smoking at all. Just they get weird.
Yeah, weird. You lose vision.
Like,
you ever lost vision over time?
have I ever lost vision?
Like your vision, like you got a little foggy and blurry over time, or no?
No, I mean,
Isn't that a thing?
It's called aging.
I guess so.
You get arthritis too sometimes, like as you get older. Joints hurt. Your hearing starts going.
You mad?
Drinking does that. Gets Wagwan Wicks. Why I say Wagwan my youth. Drinking does that. Get so fucked up, go blind drunk. I don't know. I've never met like an angry weed smoker. You know what I mean?
This is true.
I've met plenty of aggressive drunk people. I've never met somebody that's like.
I have. We have. Man, that tax talk was kind of crazy. We have. We have.
This is true.
Yes, forgot it. No, crazy.
I'm an indica guy. Something about just hitting something and just knocking the fuck out and waking up the next morning and you're like, what happened? It's great.
What happened? Not great.
Last time I had it,
I check your wallet first.
it was like an hour
What
of
happened?
just laughs, and then you just fell asleep and you woke up feeling all cozy.
Those are the good old days. It's like when you just start smoking weed.
Yeah.
That's when you're like counting your pulls, you know? Anybody do that when they just started smoking? You were like, all right, that's 2 pulls. That's my limit. How much for me to be your weed roller? It's tough. Like nobody rolls better. I don't know a single person that rolls better than me. That would be tough. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes.
Yeah, close above here.
Yep.
Chat, main ad, I think your resistance is based off of the 30, right? Yeah, so the reason why like my resistance is a little different because off of the 1 hour. I'm waiting for a 1 hour closure, and a 1 hour closure above like 6.9. If we were gonna get something like this in about 2 minutes here, right? The 1 hour isn't that clean, so that's why it'll be right at resistance. That's why I wanted us to retrace here, close like right here, and if we close right here, the next hour count should pop up. But yes, the 30-minute resistance is a little lower, or is a little higher. It's up here. But since it's an hour closure, wouldn't the 1 hour make more sense in this sense, right? So that's why I have off the hourly. And if you want to know more about why sometimes like we use a 15 or the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour, right? I have a video on it. Let's go down to I think it's this video right here on December 15. Go on that video and watch it on my IG. It's a 1 minute video. It explains it for you. In case you're confused about that as well, or if you have any more questions about that, right?
Drinking is the worst, most toxic thing. It's very low vibrational. Nothing else matters. That's bullshit. Not the drinking part, that nothing else matters. Stop loss matters.
Stop loss matters.
Stop loss matters and nothing else matters should hang out together.
Grant X, I'm not gonna lie, that's the 3rd time you said that joke. It doesn't get old though.
Yeah, I've definitely read that before from Grax.
I read that 3 times I think at this point. I remember that joke. The whack off method.
He's got to crack the joke because you always have a new audience.
Yeah,
It's
you have a new
it's
audience.
Like you answering who's your mentor.
Bro. Don, who's your mentor?
At this point, Grant X could be your mentor. Doesn't matter. doesn't matter.
All right, 1 minute for a closure here, guys. Let's see what the market's got going on for us today. You caught that gold buy during Asian, right? Wix? Or sell, go sell, sorry. Yeah.
I caught it. I closed the full at 25 pips. No, I'm lying. I closed full at 15. Wait, I get 25.
Chat, I'm gonna need a nice bottom wick here in about 8 seconds here. So if you don't get a bottom wick, there's no entry for me. But ideally, I want to see like 1868 probably. That's a perfect closure. Look where it closed, exactly where I wanted.
Right above it.
Right above it. Yeah. So I mean, previous stops are gonna be like, it's gonna be like a 30 pip stop, I guess, or current count stops are gonna be like 18 pips if you come down towards there. But I want to see like that level get tapped and then flip bullish, and then we should drive up towards 1874 or 1872ish levels very nicely. So let's wait for a bottom wick and it should be good.
Yeah, and then we got the advantages of these previous top wicks to fill that range.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be what, like 20 pips in profit by then? And then it's she's a runner, she's a track star.
Similar to trade yesterday, but oh, you have news in 15. Fuck, I forgot.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I forgot you had news. I thought it was like 8:30 for a second.
Yo, shut
You're
up.
expecting bad news?
No, I didn't even read the chat. I saw chat just now, but yo, thanks for the reminder. Yeah, I think like, wait, don't we have something at 8:15? On the top left of my screen. The thing is, like, news, they're expecting good numbers, or sorry, bad numbers. So gold should technically drive up with fundamentals. Price action and technical analysis shows that it should drive up. I mean, damn, there's news. I mean, I guess 8:30, but what do you want? A wick special at 8:30? Break the highs? It's gonna be a lot to ask for here.
It's gonna be delicious when it happens.
Let's see. If you get a nice bond wick now, maybe might just get it before. I believe
break even before then.
Yeah, I believe news technically should push price up, and technical analysis and fundamentals do really align here. Just need a nice bottom wick here. Is that the bottom wick, really? It tapped the most recent support.
Yeah, retested.
No.
I want it deeper.
No.
I wouldn't be surprised if it drives, I should say, because it tapped most recent.
Yeah, there's no entry there. If it starts driving now.
I'd like it to tap 68.5 that supports down.
You see how Marco's voice changes ever since he got the mic?
Does it sound way different?
No, you're speaking in a different tone.
He's got the MJ mic?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not. It makes me.
Because now you're leaning in and now you're like, oh, there's a mic in front of me. Let me just mic myself.
When I first got a mic, I was the same. I was like, yo.
It's new, so I'm like because I can hear myself now.
You can turn it off.
Just of like the way it sounds because it's so detailed.
I got a mic.
You can turn it off, Marcos.
Oh, I don't know how.
Like, what do you have on? You shouldn't be able to hear yourself.
I copied your settings.
Is this on? Is your mic and headphones on? That might be why.
I'll start talking and then it like comes into my ears and I'm like, whoa.
No, that shouldn't happen.
Whoa.
That shouldn't happen. I think
Whoa.
I think it might be something to do with this over here. Make sure your zoom is on. Like, this is my settings right now on my. Go in your audio settings and go on open sound settings, and then it should show something like this. This is what I got mine set to.
They're saying my mic's a little low.
Nah, you're talking low, I think.
Right next to my mouth.
Or maybe if you're talking low, then go to mic and turn your gate lower. Turn your gate from like, I don't know, or threshold to like 0.20 or something, -20 or something. Because the lower that is, the more you can hear you. And you can gotta speak as loud. Yeah, we're gonna drive here. That's it. That was the bottom wick. Yeah, I should give you your 10 here.
This mic.
Oh, chat. I guess that's the trade. Onto the 30-minute candle closure. if I was in a trade, I'll be a lot more aggressive too. Like obviously we're not in, but if price were to come up and tap like 1870, at that point is when we're probably gonna be risk free. But I mean, now that we're creating a top wick, we have no choice but to wait for the break of the highs, and the break of highs is right at resistance, so there's probably no trade here until the 830 candle minimum. Minimum.
I like 1871 on the 30-minute.
Hey, patience paid off again. Nice spot on wick now. Patience paid off. Yeah, JXCR. 830 or 9 here. Bro, your mic come with a new what's that thing called? What's this thing around the mic called?
Oh, the net you're talking about?
This guy.
Yeah, it comes with the bigger
mesh.
the bigger mesh.
I don't even know how to put it on. It's like didn't fit. I guess you have to force it.
Yeah, no, you gotta take this one out somehow.
Yeah, no, I like this one. The other one's too big.
So I see some streamers use it.
That's what she said.
Some streamers don't even have this on. They just take it whole thing off. Look at that bottom wick. The flip is not bad. The break of the high is what you want. But the break of the highs wouldn't give you that RR now because you pushed up 6-7 pips for no reason.
For no reason.
For no reason. Like why, gold?
This is like it's a good time to talk about it, but I can't even say how many times when I would say like the first like 6 months of being on stream that I would take the position because I was like, that's enough for me. How is it not enough for Don? And then it'd be like a 2 or 3 pip bottom wick, 5 pip bottom wick, and I would get in and I'd be like, I got in early. Like, I'm not missing this. And then I know everyone knows what I'm talking about too. That's why they're smiling. And then it would start going into drawdown. You're like, fuck. And then you're like in drawdown. Don's not in the position. And then you hear Don. He's like, that's why you wait for a bigger bottom wick. And you're like,
Yo, fuck you, Don. Yo, fuck. Yeah, you guys annoying, right, chat?
That shit happened to me. I can't even tell you thousands of dollars worth of times. And I was like, man, I'm sick of my own shit. I start beating my ass. Like, I know, look, everyone's laughing. They're like, fuck, that's me. I'm that asshole.
Hit 5, Marcos talks.
Not even saving accounts because it's almost like you have to go through it, and that's why everyone's laughing because everyone who's been through it and got out of it is like, fuck, like I'm not alone, like I'm not the only asshole. It's just like natural, like human psychology. Like you get the FOMO, you're like, fuck, I'm getting in, and then you miss it. Yeah, getting in early, not missing this move. Hey, shout out chat. I'm glad everyone relates to that because you're not alone. It's just a natural step in the process.
That's funny. That's actually funny. It's funny when things are relatable. Why can't I just listen to Don? And it's like the reason why I do this because like I want the perfect trade. And some of you guys might argue and say you can't always get the perfect trade. Well, you can if you wait patient enough. Or if you wait patiently, you eventually get the perfect trade. So why sell down for less? When you're risking money in the first place, right? Why sell down for less? You want to be in the best position.
Shit happens to me every day.
Best
Hey,
position for
Ron,
yourself.
you gotta get sick of your own shit.
Look at that bottom wick, perfect. Man, if you didn't have news there at 8:15 and you had no top wick, I would have a buy stop right now in chat, 100%. I buy a stop. I'll have it at like 1869 if we didn't have a top wick first. Because we flip here. Is that a break of the highs? I guess it's a 5 flip. But you have news in 5 minutes here, so we might as well wait for news to play out. If news hovers and doesn't do anything, I'll place a buy stop, chat. I'll place a buy stop. But I highly doubt news is gonna do nothing. I'm pretty sure news will give you a push, and it'll either flip this candle or I break this candle low. It might break 6.5, but if news doesn't do anything for the first like a minute and a half, I'll place a buy stop on the flip or the break of the highs, because then you're anticipating price to drive up here. The filter range is at 7.1, right? Should be ideal.
I knew it was coming. So is it a buy or a sell?
I'm in nothing. If I'm in a trade, it'll be on my screen, you guys. It'll be on my screen.
I
Don't
was
worry.
just about to post. Hey, are you in a buy or sell?
Patience, chat. Don't worry. Like, yeah, the last 2 days we had a trade at like what 8:15, 8:30, and then we had another trade at 8:15. Oh, a fire badger, not bad. That's not a bad spot. Yeah, it's not bad. Doable. It's pretty good.
W Badger.
And then here, yeah, it's pretty good. That works fine, I guess. But now we gotta convert this to everything, and oh, I guess I can do that. Copy and paste it. Copy and paste of it.
Copy and pastel it.
You know what I wish there was on Spotify? A feature that other people could link to your playlist and listen to the exact same moment that you're on, so they don't have to listen to the stream.
You can, no? I think
don't
they have
so.
a thing called shit.
Like, I can copy your playlist and play it, but I can't be the exact same second and song
No,
as you, right?
go on mobile.
Oh, you can?
Go on
I
mobile.
wouldn't say you can.
Go on mobile. Go to any song.
Mobile.
And then go to start remote group session. Yo, I'm on Spotify, Marcos. Let's
I
try
have
it.
you on Spotify. Donvo, you're listening to featuring 24 featuring Lil Baby.
I was. Okay, hold on. Let me add you then. Invite friends. Hey, that's vibey.
Spotify blend.
Thing is, I'm on stream though, so I can't. I
Can you invite all 1,500 of us?
can't.
That's what I'm saying. You could add like a link in the description. I don't know.
Does that work?
Join session.
And now, if we play music,
Yo, that's about to be a copyright right now.
does it work?
Frozen on 14 seconds. Hey.
Hey, that's kind of fire. Yeah,
That is
you
fire.
can definitely do that. Yeah, that's not a bad plan. Yo, that's a big brain actually. We might consider that. We'll find a better way to work around that. And then we'll have people who's listening, people who want to listen to music. It'll be perfect.
That way you don't have to listen to elevator music on stream.
Yeah.
And we also can't get copyrighted. Shit, the petite teens are here.
Yeah, news here. So you got the chat. Who in the chat is gonna have Boston stop stops?
That's a grody bottom wick. So nice.
I know, man. Didn't break the 1 hour lows. Like, that would be a perfect buy stop. News, man. Why you had to come right now, news?
It's alright, we got plenty of buys.
You might get the wick special actually. If you get a closure above 1869, 1868, you might get the wick special. That'd be a perfect candle too, because that's like literally 1 pip away from the opening. A bearish candle. When do you buy and sell? I explain what I'm looking for when it comes to me. When the opportunity comes to me, I don't force the markets to move. I just follow the markets. Some of you guys are new to the streams. If you're new to the streams, just go on our spreadsheet and go look at our past trades here, right? All the trades took on stream this year. All the losses, all the wins, right? Every trade taken, the timestamp, and that's you see examples of that trades we actually take on stream. Quick special real quick, it's just this bearish channel here. Let's say you get a bearish channel closure right above support. It's basically the starter play, honestly. It's a starter play.
That's literally the seller.
Yeah, that's literally the starter play. Wix just said that Wix special because that's what he waits for all the time, and we just used to saying it. So
Hey, he might be onto something. We're 100% on seller plays this year.
are we?
Yeah.
Oh, we have news here. Shit. They're expecting bad numbers here, chat. So let's see. There's no sell limits. I got nothing. When I'm in a trade, you'll see on my screen, man. There's no. I'm not gonna roundly enter a trade if price were to push up here. All right. There's no. It's all my trades are just well planned beforehand, right? So if you would know if I'm in something for sure. You would know. 247k. That's really bad numbers. Okay, so numbers come out negative. Gold should continue up. Obviously, the 1 hour flipper. If we can come down, hover here for a bit, and then wait for news to sell down, the flip is not bad. Because Tango analysis sort of shows that price should drive up on just 1 hour candle. Or worst case, wait for the 8:30 candle. 8:30 is in 15 minutes. All right. Oh, there's a flip. Well, there's a trade. Yeah, 8:30 chat for me. At this point, you can just say buys above like 1871 there. 1871. Yeah, above 1871 going up towards 1874 probably at this point. You want this candle to drive up though, before. The reason why I want to entries here because it's off the hourly candle. If we can get entries, if we could have had entries there earlier, and drive up towards 7.4, we'll be in beforehand, and then just have runners towards 7.4 and 7.9, whatever it is, right? Hope no one got stuck in this mess though, chat. We gave kind of reasons to why we weren't going to be taking any trades, right? News and the way we opened up, the way we closed, right? All those little things matter. Person A could have been waiting patiently. Person B would have taken a trade. Person C would have, you know, entered impulsively and closed because they got emotional, right? So which person do you want to be?
Yeah, this is another one of those moments. This time it's like they got in, they got clapped, and then you hear Don in the background. And like, this is why you wait for news. Then you're like, fuck.
Not gonna lie, it's not because like I say this shit just to like piss you guys off. It's because well, if you're getting pissed off, it might be you then, right? But it's just because I've been through the same shit. I've been through it as well. I'm talking to my old self basically. That's what I'm talking to. And my old self, you know, could be some of you guys upcoming that are just still like new to the strategy, you know, new to the little nuances that you wait for, and that's why you might be in the mix. Yo,
Lime brown.
that's a QE, man.
It's a lime.
Nobody. Works on enters chat. Lime brown QE.
That's a lime. I promise you, it's a lime.
What are you doing with that?
I'm gonna drop it in a Corona right now and go to the beach.
Must be nice.
What up, Biggs? Bro, this setup alone, man, is a lot of money on the webcam. God damn.
Hey yo.
Why is that mic like that? Yeah, unplug it. I think something sounds low.
What, my mic?
Try unplugging it and replug it. In the meantime,
I didn't hear you. Did you say it must be nice to go to the beach? You can go to the beach now. Marcos, you could go swim in the Hudson right now.
I'm all set.
That's why my immune system is all like juiced out. Swimming in the Hudson. I can't fucking get sick, bro. I didn't get sick for like 15 years.
Must be nice.
Must be nice. Tyler, like the premiere of DVS's first movie, first release, first feature-length movie.
Wait, I need to figure something out here. I'm trying to see if this level is valid. I don't think it is.
Biggs, how many seats there? Sign
no, it's
language.
not
I know
valid.
you're on mute. Sign language.
Is it good? I can hear your music. Oh, you played the music? Oh, you can control my stuff now too. That's kind of creepy. Just exit the share play, I guess.
Yeah, I gotta leave.
Is that better? Or
Yeah,
not?
that's much better.
All right, cool. Yeah, Wix, there's like 8 seats.
8 seats, perfect. Yo, next in person for Devious at Biggs' house.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, well, we gotta do it soon. We're probably selling this crib like in the next year.
Where do you live?
Delaware.
Bruh. Hey guys, come to my next in-person course in Delaware.
Delaware.
We go to the Delaware Water Gap, and we do it there.
How much is that crib in Delaware? Like, is it less than a mil?
Just
I
that
actually
theater is
don't
like
know
a few
how
mil in
much, like-
Miami.
Like right now, I don't know how much it is. Like, but I know when it was built, I think they probably spent like 1.3.
Hold on, how many bedrooms are in the house?
Like 6 or 7.
Yeah, I think
something like
that's a mil plus for sure.
How many bathrooms?
Yeah. Like 4. Like 4 full baths, and then like
4
another
full-
half.
Yeah, you could definitely shit all day.
There's literally a bath. I think there's a full bath in every bedroom. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Yeah, it's over one. That's like almost 2 mil then.
Bring that
Yeah,
shit with
like-
you to Vancouver, dog. We need a house.
Yeah, my girl's dad built it like a while ago, and unfortunately he actually passed a couple years ago. So like we've been getting the house
Sorry to hear
ready,
that.
and like yeah, I mean it is what it is. But yeah, like we just been getting it ready, and like probably gonna have to put it on the market in the next like year. So just like so much stuff to go through, like the storage alone here, like you can probably imagine, like there's so much shit to go through.
Bro, I moved half a year ago, and I never realized how much shit I have until I moved.
Bro, it really makes you realize how much shit you have.
I literally threw out a truckload. Like, movers loaded a truck, and I was like, I don't need this shit. Do you want it? Do you want it? And I was like, yo, take this shit home. Don't even deliver it to my next house. Just go home. Just take this shit and leave. They're like, no, we got to drop this off somewhere. I was like, no, just take it and leave. And I had to pay them extra because they're like, no, we're going to go trash it. So now we got to pay extra.
Yep, you gotta just pay them extra just to take your shit.
It's got a little storage room. U-Haul.
Like, yo, I'm giving you shit that's going to be like legendary. In 10 years, you're going to be looking me up and being like, yo, why didn't we keep that guy's fucking drawer? It's fucking big time.
What do you have? Uncle Ted's rookie card? His
got the Wix 9 rookie
his
card. You know what it looks like?
A PSA 10 Uncle Ted rookie card.
This shit looks like a locked character in Street Fighter. My rookie card. Just a
But yeah,
black shadow.
I hope nobody got caught in this gold move. Damn. Where am I moving?
Yeah.
So I have like a shitty apartment, like small apartment in Westchester. It's like 30 minutes away from here in Pennsylvania. But actually, my girl was talking about she wants to move to Canada, bro.
Oh, for real? Yo, she
But
does.
she
Like
not-
she really
wants the
wants
lockdown.
She definitely wants to go to
Yeah, I don't
Vancouver,
know,
right?
She really wants to like go move to Canada. Like I don't know why, but
She
I
really
mean,
wants to
I'd
be
be down
locked
for it.
down.
Hey, yo, Biggs, little link. That'd be
Yeah,
fire
I mean, we'll
though.
definitely link.
You go to
Yeah,
Toronto.
she wants to go visit like this summer. I mean, I told her that I'm probably going to Vancouver, and she was like, "Damn," she was like all jealous, and I was like, "Yeah, like we'll go back like a different time, go to Toronto or something, because that's where she wants to go. She wants to go to Toronto."
Yeah, everyone wants to go to
She's
Toronto.
never been, has she?
No, she hasn't.
One piece of advice: do not give up your passport. Do not give up your American passport for the Canadian one.
Yeah, I actually gotta get mine renewed ASAP.
Oh yeah, you have months though. You're good.
Yo, thank you for reminding me. Me too. I gotta get my shit renewed. My shit expired.
Yeah, I like went to double check and I was like, oh, I definitely need to do that. 'Cause that's something I would do. I would show up with it and they'd be like, oh, that's expired. Fuck.
I literally, when they said the Vancouver and sent the house, I was like, all right, let me go check my passport and make sure this shit's good. I was so disappointed. I was like, it's like Vancouver, yeah, I'm gonna go get tickets right now. Passport's expired. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, well, it looks like I'm not going.
No, I'm gonna go. Yo, it's like 2 weeks to get the shit expedited. I'm gonna pay him 10 extra pips. 10 extra pips done. I need to expedite my passport. Hurry up. Drop a position.
Damn, I really hope nobody got caught in this golden move, man.
Yeah, I was gonna talk about like, man, Chad, that's why you wait, man. this is that Marcos moment right now. He's like, fuck. Right, it's true though. It's true. Like if you were just patient today and you wait for your stop to come to you and forcing yourselves, you would be fine right now. You'd just be chilling. You haven't wasted any bullets for a day, right? No trades taken yet. It's just you're vibing still, right? But if you did take a trade impulsively, you would have ruined your own day because taking an impulsive trade is a lot worse than taking an actual trade you would have waited for it and losing. It's 10 times worse. Just
holding that Marcos rookie card right now.
Yeah. Like, what's the line you say? What's the line you say? The market would manipulate you basically if you were to enter off of.
If you are being impulsive, emotional, if the market is bringing out any kind of emotion out of you, the market is manipulating you.
Correct.
Right? You want to win. So for you to be a winner, you have to be in control. You have to completely manage every aspect of the situation, from entering positions to avoiding positions to managing positions to closing positions. None of that can be done impulsively. It can be, but it's just not in your favor long term when you do things impulsively and such important things. Like there's like 1,000 people on here that heard me repeat this shit over and over and over, but you got to be in control. And as soon as you feel impulses and you feel like you need to act on those impulses, you lost. The market has won. The market has said, I'm in control now, and you lost. Regardless what the outcome of the position is, right? Unless you're in control the whole time, you know, that's when you're a winner. That's when you're running the play and you're in control of the play of how it's going to go and where it's going to go and when it's going to go. You're a winner. But as soon as the market, as soon as it brought out that impulse on you to act and do something that you wouldn't have done on a clear head, but you're doing it just because of an impulse, that's it. The market's won, right? You've lost control there. Once you've lost control, you're not in a right state of mind to actually make the most quality decision. You have to approach here as you're gonna only take high quality decisions and you're gonna stick to your guns, and then you're gonna live with the consequences that the decision was made by you and that it was your responsibility and it was your fault whether you won or you lost. Nothing wasn't manipulated, you know, it wasn't somebody talked you into it, wasn't somebody had a gun to your head, or you missed a position because you went to the bad. No, it was everything that happened in a trade is all you. Take the responsibility. If it was all fucked up or if it was impulses and you acted impulsively, you should simply go to the bathroom and fucking smack yourself while looking in the mirror and be like, literally, like, and ask yourself, how fucking long am I going to continue to do this dumb shit? How long am I going to continue to fuck up? Or, you know, ask yourself and then show up for your next session without impulses. Take what you know. Don't fuck up. If you're not sure, don't take the trade. If it's bringing out emotions out of you, don't take it. But if it doesn't, take the trade, live with the results, and then man up and be responsible for the results, whether you win or lose. Because I promise you, when you win, you talk all that shit like you're the fucking market maker and you're the pip whisperer, right? You tell the candles where the fuck to go. But when you lose, you're like, oh, it was this, you know, like my fucking wizard buttons glitched. I don't know, but No, it was you. Take responsibility for your own actions. And once you do that, once you get sick and tired of your own shit and then actually take responsibility, you will apply it on your next trade. And you won't do the shit that makes you sick and tired of your own self. Right?
Correct.
The fault is on Wix. Yeah, it's my fault, really, that everybody here. It's because these concepts are all my concepts. So if you're listening to it, it's all my fault, right? Be responsible for your shit. All I know is you got to be here, and you're like, who said? I think I don't remember who said. Bezos, Musk, one of those rich people. I mean, they're rich for a reason, right? And they've figured something out. Well, they say, you can only make 2 or 3 quality decisions a day.
Oh yeah, I think that was Bezos. I think.
Well, yeah, richest man on earth says, hey, you should only concentrating on making 2 to 3 high quality decisions a day, because after that your brain's not really wired to make really complicated decisions. And if you're making those 2 to 3 complicated decisions a day, make sure they're high quality. Make sure you're not manipulated when you're making those decisions. Make sure you're on a level head and you've gone through all the possibilities. And this is where statistics and actual sample sizing is your best friend, because that's what's gonna steer you in the right direction. You actually have to keep track of all you do in the markets. I mean, if you have a shit memory, you keep track on paper, but like Don keeps track in his head. He can say, oh, we took this trade before, it didn't work out. We took that trade before, it worked out like this. Let's adjust. Let's adjust stops. Let's adjust entry. Let's not wait. Let's wait for the longer wick. Let's wait for the break of the previous high and not the flip. Like there's, who's talking wicks or weed? Weed is not lit. You don't have to listen to me. I'm just like, I've been through this shit. You don't have to listen to Marcos, but he's been through this shit. Like he's telling you, like you guys relate because he's been through it, and now you're going through it.
I've been through it. Everything you're saying is true.
It shouldn't be like, oh God, hearing this again. It should be for me. It was comforting hearing that other people were going through the battles that I was fighting. We're going through the tough, hard time, because you know what? There's something about knowing that you're not alone in the fight, right? There's something about that that's like brings out some confidence in you. That the struggle is normal. If you think the struggle is just you, no, the struggle is normal. That's the standard. If you're not struggling, like you're not doing something right. If you didn't go through struggle and everything was just fucking, peaches and unicorns and all that shit, I don't know. Doesn't work like that. You have to go through struggle to see real growth, to see real quality growth.
Yeah, you can't sample size about struggle, right? If it was all perfect, you don't have to sample size.
Yeah.
Yeah, is she gonna grow up to be a philosopher?
I don't know. Throw old daddy some weed. Blink if you're kidnapped. Come on, kid. I swear someone said that before.
Like if you're kidnapped.
Remember there were 2 of them on stream and somebody was like, yo, kids, shake your head.
Belt. Lock the door.
Yo, kids are hilarious, but they're so smart. Like honestly, like I've learned a lot more from my kids than I've taught them.
Yeah, you do.
Like, they've taught me so much. So, I think fatherhood is one of the greatest, adventures you can undertake.
So tell me I won't be profitable for another 10 years?
What was that?
You tell me I won't be profitable for another 10 years?
Why is that?
Because I don't got a kid. Yeah.
It depends on what what the definition of the word profitable is.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So we had this saying, I was asking about like what's the best book to read in terms of psychology for trading, and honestly, like you can read a whole book and not gain anything from it. It's when it clicks for you. Like, Wick's not gonna say something that can click for you. You can read a whole book and the whole book can click for you, but it just has to click for you. It doesn't matter what you read, honestly. Once it clicks, it clicks. I can't explain that feeling.
And it's never one click. It's a bunch of things clicking separately and a bunch of revelations. Like I said, you have a whole bunch of aha moments in trading that if you put them all together with all these things that click, they'll work as a machine. You know, they'll work like a well-oiled machine. But you have to have a concept click here and the concept click here and be like, oh shit, this works like that, and over here this works like that. And then you have to figure out how they work in unison, how they work in tune together, these concepts. So trading is never like one big oh shit moment, I figured it out, boom, it clicked, and now I can tell trade. No, it's a bunch of aspects of trading that you figure out separately on their own timelines, on your, you know, as you're going through it. Like some people get to risk management before, you know, they get to like position sizing,
yeah,
or you know, what positions they'll take. Some people figure out how to draw you know, levels perfectly, and you know what the setup they look for before they figure out their risk management. It's really, it's so individualized. Nothing is standard here. There's nothing that like anybody else. People ask questions, oh, how did you do this, or how long did it take you that? It's all irrelevant because it's so individualized. This is a solo sport, right? Like, yeah, like we all do this together, and you know, but this is a very individualized activity, and it all depends on the individual. So it's not like there's no right or wrong here, right? It's all perspective. Where the fuck is my lighter? I knew she was up to something.
Yeah, we changed lot size, but depending on the stop loss, the bigger stop loss, obviously, like I'll say, but every time we'll go like over, because we averaged out already, right? Or I averaged out for myself. And if I go beyond 30 pips for a stop loss, I'm going half risk, because it will be the same risk if I were to take that original trade, right? And that's what some people don't get too. Like sometimes we have a bigger stop, right? But we go half risk in those stops. It's not like we're going full risk every time. Obviously, if you go full risk every time, yes, you will end up losing, right? But if you go half risk, like that's what people don't get as well, and people don't understand, or people forget.
It used to be 20, but because the volume is so much higher now, and the candles are forming much bigger in size, longer wicks, higher spreads, so we kind of have to adjust our risk management too. Yo,
am I tripping? I drew this out already. I think I drew this out already, but I drew it like 5 minutes ago.
Not the fake out.
Like I just drew it out like a minute ago or two, but I drew it out and I didn't realize I drew it. I just drew it out naturally because I just drew it out. Yeah, Chad, the fake out is not bad here. This is a range on breaker, right? So there's no sells here. A closure above now will give you a 4 count closure above too. If you get a closure in 30 minutes here and 21 minutes, some nice buys at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to like the first hour should be pretty nice.
It's nice because last candle we had news. It kind of played out, and now it's gonna end up right where it started before the news. So basically, went nowhere. We faked out, so now we should be good to drive up. We collected all these orders, come back in range. Next candle, bottom wick, and we're off to the races. And then you're gonna move on to the risk management part of your trade or your setup.
Chad, I made a thing for you guys. Don't worry. It's called DVS risk management origin story. So I answered, like I got grammar check and all that still, because I don't think the grammar is on par yet. But once that's done, I'm gonna have a command for it and talk about why do we manage risk the way we do, the little origin story of why we do it that way. Like like what led me to doing it this way, what led me to closing half at 10 pips, right? And then why our stops are so big sometimes, and like just things like this that people have questions on. It's like a FAQ basically. And I think tomorrow it should be out for a command, but I think I gotta do a little grammar check, and then it should be good.
Corp call.
I mean, unless someone wants to do a grammar check for me, chat.
Corp call grammar check.
Tomorrow release probably, or tonight. But if someone can do a grammar check for me, or whoever's good with grammar. Bot Broly, send it. All right, I'll send it for you. Broly does everything for us. Yo, shout out to Broly, man. These clips on IG are insane. Bro, I'm just share
Broly on payroll.
I got you, Broly. I'm sending the link. Grammarly, yeah, I don't trust Grammarly. I mean, I do trust Grammarly, but like, I swear they still like miss a couple of mistakes, no? Yeah, and eventually I'll make a video for it too, because this is a common question that a lot of people have. Like they have a question about like, yo, like I take wins, yeah, but every time I take a loss, I wipes out my wins, and we did the math for it too, or Marcus at least did it. I mean I did it too before, I think too. I just didn't renew it, but it shows that
my account does the math.
Yeah, your account does the math. Yeah. It's because like we don't always close half at 10 pips. Sometimes we close half at 40. It depends. It really depends on each specific trade, and that's what a lot of traders don't understand. Like, and I get it. They're coming from a whole different dimension of trading, right? They're coming from this whole other world trading, and then going to this way of trading. It's like, yo, like, why do you do things the way you do? And this is just part of our trading style. This is just what it is. We spent months and months, like I spent years before trying to figure out like what's the most consistent plan I can probably have in terms of managing risk, and this is the most consistent plan. And like, yeah, we've adjusted it from like 2020 to 2021 to 2022, 3 years of evolution with the plan, and every time we adjusted something, it's been improved, right? And it will continue to improve over time too. Hopefully at one given point it'll improve to a point where we take no losses eventually, right? And then we don't gotta worry about managing risk, obviously. But I mean, until that's a thing, if that's ever a thing, and some of you guys saying it's impossible, I mean, I could agree, but who knows? Until that's a thing, 85% win rate, we're still gonna manage risk the way we do, right? You know what I mean?
Yeah, someone DM'd me actually about that.
Yeah.
Can you explain to me, like, yeah, I take a win and it's like, and then I take a loss and it's like 50% of my account. And it's like risk management, right? So you really have to adjust your position size when you're entering, depending on what kind of position you're entering. So, and you also have to know that you have that range. And you know, we don't just close at 10. It's like a 10, we know it's going to hit 10 pips, we're going to go break even. But we typically close after 10. Like yesterday's Asian trade, it went from 4, 5, 7, jumped straight to 20 pips, right?
Yeah.
And so I closed that trade at 16, 15 pips. Some of it, you know, some people closed it at 25, 30. It didn't go to 10 and then close. It should jump straight to 20.
I think I closed at 12.
Because gold moves, right? Like if it moves, it moves. So it's not like there's this TP at 10 pips flat. No, it's gonna go flying past, and we'll look for a logical TP. But we're definitely gonna go break even at 10.
Another thing, like I want to talk about too, is like nothing else matters. Said it. It's like we don't let our losses hit stops every single time. It's like people see one trade that hits stops fully, and they're like, that's what, and they think that's what we do
And they
every
fucking
single
lose it,
time.
yeah.
It's like, nah, it's like each trade is different, and right, and some people don't understand as well. A lot of traders don't understand is, the way we manage risk is not impulsive, and it's not impulsive, and that's why I have a document. I wrote all this in a document. It's not impulsive because we don't enter impulsively. So if we don't enter impulsively, like what? Yeah, it's predetermined already. Like we before getting into a trade, we know exactly what we're gonna do with the trade, and while the trade's still running, we get more information about the trade that leaves us to making decisions during the trade. So like sometimes, yes, we can close half here. Sometimes we can't close half here because logically price still makes sense in a certain way, right? But it's not like, I feel like price is gonna reject here. I'm gonna leave it. It's not like that's not why we're leaving our stop losses, like our full stop losses. It's because logically speaking, when price action is respecting certain levels still, the trade's still valid to play out, and there's no need to close. Right, and this is something I've been through before too, like through my own real life trading experience. I've been at a point where I used to close impulsively, right? And yes, your losses would be a lot smaller, but they'll add up, or you have a lot more losses. And I think I have it. It's shown in the 2021 trade stats in our spreadsheet. It shows the trades taken. I'll show you guys real quick here.
Not a simple concept to grasp, right? It's very counterintuitive to be in drawdown, but to be ahead probability wise. Like that's a concept people don't
understand.
Really
Yeah.
They don't refer to it. They don't like try to, understand the meaning of that.
Like look at this chat.
Drawdown is normal, right? And unless certain levels are broken, you can sit in a little bit of drawdown and candles are still forming, trade is still going on, and
Still valid.
you're still valid, unless candles start forming against you in another direction and where it's clearly noticeable and you've entered when you were ahead. Just because you're in some drawdown doesn't mean you're behind, right? It's like the game is long. It's like evolution. Like it slowly develops, right? The play develops, the candles develop, and as the candles print, your risk management has to adjust because the risk evolves, the trade evolves. Sometimes the trade you entered is not the same trade as it is 2 candles later. The whole concept of what we do here should just be predict the next candle. That's it. We're not supposed to predict how market's going to start printing different candles. No, we just need to know how the next candle is going to print. That's it. That's our time here in the markets. And the less time we spend in the markets, the less we're exposed to risk. That's what you want. You don't want to be exposed to risk. You want to. What's up?
I just want to add on to like what I was saying earlier too. Like look at this chat. Like this shit shows you. Like this is 2021, right? This is 2021. Okay, I guess I'll go March. This is 2021 in March, right? This is the difference from last year and this year. Last year, look at our losses. Were they smaller? Yes. But did we have a lot more losses? Yes. Why? Because we took impulse. Look at this. Impulse. A lot more impulses, right? And since it took a lot more impulses, it led to more losses. And they add up, right? We lost around like, what is this? Like 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100, right? And in March alone, we lost 70, right? But look at the win rate. Look at the pips caught versus pips collected and pips lost compared to last year on stream, right? Last year we ended the stream in March with -5 pips. This year it was 500 pips on stream, right? Alone. And that came with us like not being impulsive anymore and not managing risk because we felt like off of feeling and off of emotions and just purely off of price action and logical
we just
setups,
spoke
right?
about it, like that's when you've lost.
And you see the improvement.
Right? That's when you've lost, right? Once you start going off of feeling, you've been manipulated and you've lost. That's why everything here can be taught, can be put, as tangible, can be replicated. I can tell somebody exactly what I'm looking for, and I can set up parameters and go strictly off of parameters like a computer. You don't have to guess. You don't have to be like, I just don't feel like it's gonna go here. No, there's clear signals. There's either no wick on opening. There's either no wick on a closing. There's either a support held. There's maybe no closure below or above. You know, like, I have a reason. Like, if you're doing something but you can't explain to somebody why you're doing it, it's an impulsive characteristic. Nothing on that. No trade on that spreadsheet is impulsive. Not
This
a single
year.
one.
This year,
Every
right?
single one. Yep, every single one is backed up by reasoning, and is complete reasoning, and risk is managed fully with full reasoning as well. There's nothing. There's no nothing arbitrary. No guessing here. It's not a guessing game. The whole point is to take emotion and feeling and, like, you know, thinking out of it. You see it, you act on what you see.
Hey, Savage. What up, man? Bumps your account. You lost it again? What do you keep doing, man?
Yo, I spaced out for 30 minutes.
Why? What are you doing? You're flowing?
Yes.
Too much coffee? Where's Coffee Gang today?
I just poured my second coffee, but man, I like snapped back into consciousness. Realized I was on stream.
What? What happened? This guy, what are you on? What's Marco's on right now?
Yo, I don't know what he's on, chat, but he's not sharing. Yo, up the dosage so you could go pass out for the whole stream. Fuck 30 minutes.
Because they were talking about fucking RR. That shit's old.
Yeah, every day we have the same convo. I get it.
This conversation, man. I got nothing left to contribute.
Like, we did, I don't know, man. We should just, like, we can click a button and just play. It just does it for us, you know? Like, it just plays a whole video for us or something. We even gotta answer questions.
Hey, now chat's flowing. Hey, what up, Wanyo Wavage?
Wanyo Wavage.
We are hunting for Wanyo Wabbit.
Actually, I'm drinking some Viet coffee. It's like it's Nguyen. I don't know how to spell it, Wen. But it's got
Is
some
it bottled?
citrus flavor. Nah, it's ground. It's
Show
got
me.
citrus and some other stuff.
That citrus.
Give me 2 seconds.
Show me the box.
Flash the box.
Adderall vibes. Maybach. Oh, yo, what's the song called? How's the song go? What's the Adderall song? How's it go?
Adderall song.
I don't know. Yo, that's the most Vietnamese coffee I've seen in my life. That coffee says, yeah, that look. It's yeah.
That's definitely
Bro,
Vietnamese.
That's
read it to you.
1000% Vietnamese. Like,
It says
that's my mom's last name.
100% pea berry robusta. Tasting notes are scotch, grapefruit zest, and bitter melon.
Never had that one. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I'm a true
The marketers got him. The marketers got him, y'all. They could have put whatever they want on there.
Is it
This shit
strong or
tastes
no?
like fucking monkey balls and
It's pretty good.
fucking
Snake hearts.
jungle. Yeah.
Nah, I kinda.
Marcos would have been like, looks good. Seems interesting. Let me
I
take
don't know,
that.
man. I spaced out.
I
for
got any
30
more of these
minutes.
snake farts? I need a large.
And they're large. Nah, you need to try this, Marcos. You need to try like the Viet iced coffee though. Like, this will get you like, yeah. This is. I love
That
Viet
looks
coffee.
fire.
It's this is just like the coffee maker, or whatever. But it's just condensed milk and the coffee, and there's no sugar or anything.
I gotta make it the night before though to make like cold brew, because otherwise I'm throwing a
Ice.
hot pot of coffee over ice.
Well, you gotta wait for it to chill though. You gotta put it in the fridge and shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, when you reach Vancouver, you know, well, we got you.
Yo, there's a Wiz9 in the chat.
Wiz9. Hey, yo.
I don't know, bro.
What's good, DVS? What are going on, Chief FX?
YouTube, where's my blue check mark? Yo, when is your mark coming? Huh?
7 minutes for a
When-
closure here.
Where's your blue check mark?
I don't know. Ask Savage. The Savage has one, right? Yeah, he has one. I don't know.
Savage, how'd you get a check mark?
Dude, you just put an article for yourself off of Forbes article. You just pay them to put an article out, and then you gotta hit people up. And if you want quicker process, you gotta hit some guy up who does it for a lot of social media pages. It's like 15-20K, and then you'll get the check mark. Yeah, you get the check mark. But you need to go through the process first.
I'm not talking about that process. I'm talking about what's the legitimate process.
Yeah, you have articles. You gotta have articles on yourself out, and then you gotta send those articles to Instagram.
I figured it would have to be like just a bunch of pages.
It's a bunch of fake. It's a bunch of fake articles, like Forbes, like those fake Forbes.
Yeah, but they're not fake. You really call them up and be like, "Hey, I need you guys to print this article on me."
Yeah,
You can fucking send them the article that you need them to print. But that's not. I read that it was, that you have to have a certain, like a large number of pages trying to be you and emulating you and copying you, passing themselves off as you, and then if you have a big enough influence or following and a lot of people are trying to copy you, then creating fake accounts.
You have a nice 4-candle closure here. This is looking good. Feeling good. Yeah,
Like I said.
This is good. You got 30-minute candle closure here in about 4 minutes here. I say the 4 candle. I'll personally want to close above 1870. To be honest with you, above 1870 would be ideal here. Let's see. It's a long 4 minutes, and then GJ just kind of range all day. Chat, we might not move until FOMC at this point. If we don't move by 9:30, most likely we won't move until FOMC at 2 p.m. Eastern. And I don't think I'll be doing an extra stream today. I'll let you guys know on Instagram probably, but I don't think so. They want to be out and about. I have a watermark on a maze sheet covering the win stats block. The issue is you can't click on a cell behind it without activating the pick. You can't have a pick float around like you mentioned either. As we have more trades taken. Notice I'm like, XL can do it. Damn. This is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, watch these other pages. Just delete the logo and just put the logo on this on instead. Some point. I honestly rather us close Doji here, man.
Makes sense.
I'd rather us close Doji on this 4 account than close bearish or bullish. So if you close bearish, you gotta wait for the break of highs. If you close bullish,
we gotta close above.
You gotta close above 1869 exactly. And at this point, if you close Doji, it's perfect.
You just wipe it out.
Yeah, just wipe it out. Yeah, exactly.
Like it never happened. All right, Chad. 8 a.m. I mean 8:30 to 9 did not happen today. Oh no, that's a 4-hour. This session did not happen today.
This are considered trading as gambling, but don't like these sports betting people have like a verified check? Doesn't Bleacher Report like advertise gambling every post now? Like Bleacher Report all these pages, so is that the exact same? I'm pretty sure you can. I mean, just don't go off as a trader and go off as an entrepreneur.
That's not true. Q is verified, and the first thing in his bio says trader and currency expert.
But he said how like you can get banned though, like like later on, or to keep getting banned. No,
Oh.
I don't know. I don't know what the facts are on that.
Q's also got a massive following.
But he just got verified like last week though, so it's different.
I don't think he paid for his verification. I think he just got verified. I don't know.
Nah. He paid for it
100%.
because yeah.
There's people with millions of followers that don't get verified.
Because
It's-
there's
yeah,
a
but it's
guy.
not just-
There's a guy on that runs the whole paying for the verification thing, and he commented on his posts, and like I guess they worked together for it to get it.
Oh, what a mafia thing that is.
I know, bro.
a
it's-
couple people that have the
That's really like
verifications.
it's really like the mafia running, construction in New York City in like 80s and 90s. Like you want to get in? Yes.
Don't get the wrong idea though. It's not like, oh, you paid for it. Like,
Yeah.
you should pay for it if you have it like that, because not only does it help with all of the people who are scamming your community, but also it looks great
is
from a
there-
marketing perspective.
Is there an official handbook or an official rule or like a fact? Like, yeah.
Like, you can wait all day and get
Oh, how you get it?
and wait for you can wait all day for IG, but IG may never get back to you. But if you pay for it, it's like an express. It's just expedited basically. Expedite check mark.
Yeah, but then what's stopping the scam account from paying?
You won't get verified. It still goes through human checks and balances. The first thing they're gonna check is if someone else is verified with that identity. But yeah, the formula is like you have to be published in a certain amount of articles, and then there's a couple other criteria. But even then, it's very hard, and usually the professionals are the ones who get it like in a timely manner.
Josh, I want to clear it up as well. Now it wasn't just him. It was a lot of other traders as well. It was basically the whole community. It was Q. It was even Savage at one point. Like, it was everyone, because we just didn't want to bring any bad vibes to the stream or have people like talk shit about our traders and stuff, right? Like, we didn't want to be in drama or anything, so we just blocked the words just so like people don't have to like bring people's name up and just have a toxic. We didn't want a toxic community. And then over time, like, people said, oh, they blocked my name. It's because they don't like me. And then I'm like, well, now we can't win. We can't win either way. So it's like, I might as well just leave it as it is and just, I guess, work on ignoring the comments or whatever in the chat. So that's why we did it that way. End of discussion.
Let me educate you. Discussing ideas will take you much further in life than discussing people.
Yeah.
I promise you that. Share ideas, share what you know, share what what you're thinking of or hypothesizing. Don't discuss people. The whole point. People are entertained by the BS, absolutely.
Wow, we close bearish here, man. This is
so-
looking very FOMC like. Chat, I'll repeat it again. I'll say it now. I'll say it again. You have FOMC at 2 p.m. If you want to wait for the cleanest setups, wait for tomorrow, because FOMC comes out. Yes, wait for the 3 p.m. candle. The hour after, you should get a nice push on price, because that's when the speech finishes. That's when the numbers come out, right? They're raising they're raising rates. So once all of that is done with, 3 p.m. you should get a continuation of the FOMC numbers, and then Asian should be pretty rangy, I'll say. But London, New York tomorrow, you should get a continuation of price, and tomorrow should be your cleanest day. Like every FOMC folder is around the same. I see the same reaction from the markets, honestly. You have a continuation of the push the day after. So if you want to just wait for a clean setup, you don't want to be in any ranges, just wait for Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday should be your cleanest days of the week this week. And I'm seeing it now, and you can clip it, ship it, check again tomorrow on Thursday. You should have very nice positions by Friday, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's gonna be from now, the FOMC might be a bit choppy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, especially with the way we closed. And GJ closed bearish. That's good, I guess. It can indicate that we might be breaking below 162 later, but until we break below, there's no sells for me.
You said you're busy this afternoon?
Yeah, I might not do an FOMC stream. I don't know. I want to, but
Could call it an early New York stream and then hit the FOMC stream, since we're gonna be ranging.
I think I might be busy around that time though. It's a thing. Like, I can stream till 12 and be fine, or 1 and be fine. But thing is, if I do FOMC stream, I gotta stream till 4, and like 2, 3, 4. I got kind of dip around there.
4.
Are you going to the game today?
I want to. Maybe I'm a
Ooh.
high chance I may.
Do
Again,
it.
yeah. I mean, I may. High chance I will. I
Is there a way you can get on the ice?
Bro. I gotta be a mascot or something. I gotta apply to be a mascot. Sounds good, chat?
Spray paint devious on your back. Go streaking on the ice. Never seen that. Wick's not wearing a suit for, you know, honestly, it's just because one time last year, Don said, hey, show up with a suit tomorrow. And I never showed up, so I figured, you know what, FOMC was a good time to
Yeah,
show up with a suit.
this guy came with the suit.
That's legendary.
Was that the stream when Ted did a face review? Or no, it wasn't, right?
No.
Ted did a face review in one of our streams. I think it was like.
It was a morning stream.
I don't think he ever did a face review on any stream before, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat. I don't know. I think it was the first time he did a little face review. And I'm pretty sure it was by accident too, but.
Oh yeah, it was. Shut it down real quick. I told him, I was like, you're on cam? He's like, oh shit.
He's like, not anymore. Could have left it.
Yeah.
It's funny. That means our stream is rare. Second, no shirt.
NFT.
NFT.
FOMC.
Sorry, try not to clean this day during analyze session today, but I can't control the markets. I can't control when we're gonna move, right? Still a good month though. Good week, good month. Everything so far is pretty good, pretty solid.
Where's all my Star Wars fans?
Huh.
Shocked.
I took 3 trades this month.
Both daily candles are doji right now.
Yo, Tyler,
Yo,
I'm gonna need you to go change into a white shirt right now. I don't know how they let you in here. It's a white
shit, I'm
party.
the only one now.
It's a white party. I don't know how they let you in.
Shit.
You must know somebody.
I might have to be right back. I kind of feel like left out.
Word, you're the
Damn.
black swan.
Yeah, I didn't even realize that. Damn, that's
Let
kinda
those down,
fucked up.
bud.
You guys just all wearing plain white tees?
I don't
Really
know.
graphic.
Yeah, what brand you guys got on right now?
Thanks for sending me the memo.
Polo.
Polo? What brand you got on Wix?
No free promo.
They
They better.
pack of white tees.
They better
from
pay me.
Ross for $70.
I got my Jella. I'm kidding. I got a Uniqlo.
It's a plain white tee.
Yeah, but it's a special plain white tee.
Like it feels nice,
I mean, it's expensive, so it better feel nice.
but is it long? This is the long tee. I got the curves that are long. You know what I'm talking about?
Yo, weirdo. We're just there's nothing to do here, honestly. I mean, there's nothing to do until we close above like 8-7-1. We can still get a closure above because it'll be a 4 break the highs. I mean, we can wait for that. I'm not like there could be still be positions, but I think my cutoff time today is 10 a.m. maximum, max like 9:45 to be exact, honestly. But let's see, you have another like an hour left in this. If you've been waiting on more, you might as well stay there for another hour. You know, no point dipping right now.
We should, if you're on here at like 10 a.m., you should do one of those videos. 2 hours later. Don's still on here. 11. No, I'm only gonna be here till 9:45. No, don't do it. Where's that soundbite?
What? You see my screen?
Yeah.
I know, like, I think last time.
Yo, it would have cost me $250 yesterday to be like 3rd row or 4th row
Yeah.
behind, for my whole family.
Yeah, and you would have seen Ovi fuck up Florida.
Yeah, it was a shit feeling. I saw in the news. They're like, you know how the like 10 o'clock news interviews people walking out the stadium. And shit. So how was it? That first playoff game? Like, it sucked. We lost, bitch. Damn. See how expensive that is? No. Like,
This is $200 in Florida.
yeah, in Florida, that's $200.
This is game 7 in Toronto, man. Look how much that is. Like game 7 in Toronto is like 4K. That's actually nuts.
But that's right now. You can fucking flip that shit when it happens.
No, I think front row probably 3K. I think, yeah, 3.5. Game 1 was pretty cheap. Game 1 was like 1K, I think, front. But that's game 1, right? To me, crazy expensive. If you go to the finals, if you make it past the first round, man, we're versus Florida next, and it's gonna be. Those prices.
Yo, that's gonna be dope. I'm gonna go to the Florida games, and you're gonna go to the Toronto games.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
I'm gonna send you something. Be like, yo, Matthews, bring this to Don.
He's from Arizona.
Is he?
Yeah. Honestly, yo, Mod God, you got a good point. A flight to Florida and then a game is cheaper. Yeah, but it's not Toronto though.
Flight.
It's not Toronto's atmosphere. You can't compare the atmosphere in Florida and Toronto though. And that's what you pay for, to be honest. The atmosphere.
You can just wear
Headset. Like what?
headset. Wear a Florida jersey. Show up here with a Florida jersey.
Man, I hate Florida's team. They're so good. Can you discuss Wix? What about Wix? What do I want to know about Wix? There's a lot of things about Wix. Highs, lows, bodies, closures, candles. You know, what about Wix? In what situation? In what area of Wix? It's a very vague question, you know? Just by Scotiabank Arena. Do you know FOREX? Oh, that guy. I remember that guy. When I first started trading, that was one of my first, I think that was one of my first groups I joined. Yeah, I remember that guy. What's he up to right now?
Sounds familiar.
Yo, what? I'm actually interested. Let me go on my IG. FOREX. I remember him.
Nah, I wear a medium.
Yeah, what's he up to? He's still posting? 2021. He hasn't posted this year. 106K? Yeah, I mean, I get it. I get why. He posts a lot of memes and a lot of just general stuff for it. Yeah. You can make a brand off of that. It's pretty dope. I used to follow his stuff. I think at one point I paid for his signals when I first started trading, for sure. Yeah. I don't know.
I'm in, bro.
I mean, I hope it plays out for you, man.
Let's go.
Let's go. I think I have that sound somewhere. Oh no, I deleted it. The baby sound.
Yo, that was funny.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Daniel, are you speaking English? What's going on? What's going on, Vincent?
How tall am I? What? Oh, how tall are you? I'm 5'10".
Stop the cap.
Not funny.
Yeah, the funniest one. Bro, nothing's worse than getting hit with that on stream. Yo, you get hit with that on stream out of the blue. Bruh. It's a rip. I still need payback on Marcos, by the way.
Not gonna happen.
You ever heard of what was the joke?
Like that mic?
Bro, I knew the joke too. I just wanted to get a reaction on the stream, you know?
Yeah, okay.
Like the new mic?
That's copium right there. He's coping.
How can you have your mic like that? I want a mic like that too. All right, do that. The podcast mic. Don, how tall are you? You know me. Wait, you're Jonathan, right? Yeah, you know me, no? Five 10. Chat. Thinking, I know there's 2 people in the chat that know me IRL. Or yeah, 2 or 3 people. I think 3 people actually. And taken, they all went to the same elementary school as me. That's the craziest part. They all went to the exact same elementary school as me.
Tell the truth. Don's really like 4'8".
I bet you your forehead. Smarter your mentors, man. Ex-NBA
Don got
player.
hops. Don got like 8-centimeter hops right now.
Oh, nice flip. Flippity flip, flip, flip. This is a good chat. If we can break the 4 highs and close above, we'll be good. We can be good. Yeah, I had hops in like grade 9, 10.
Show him the volleyball video.
That's a shit volleyball spike. Where is it?
He's going for it, Chad.
This is good. Yeah, the 15 closer, right? How did it close? Oh, close above. Oh. 30 here would be ideal because there's a heavy resistance off the 1 hour too. But the 1 hour broke the highs. Yeah, this is all good. This is good. You might get positions actually today.
On his Jeremy Lin hops.
Yeah, there's no hops. Who's nuts up? This is a shit video. I think I sent this because this is the only one I got that day. Yeah, that's pretty. I jumped way higher than that. I just haven't recorded.
I don't know who that girl is that like set you up, but she looks D's.
Yeah, she's like a
that was
like a trainer, a trainer or something. What
that was
this?
by me. Who posted that?
What is this?
Racetrack.
Is it like it's betting? No, it's like betting on horses.
Oh, I posted
Horse
that.
betting.
Like, yo, that's right by me.
Is that horse betting?
Yeah, it's at the casino.
Oh yeah, we have that in Toronto too. Did you win?
No.
Bro, in Vietnam it's fucked. In Vietnam,
horse, I said would win first, one got second, and the horse I said would be second got first.
I think horse betting is a lot more degen than the casino, no?
I don't know, it was new to me. I didn't really go to bet. I just went to. I found there's a bunch of old guys by the actual machine. They're like, "Oh, like this is what you're doing. This is what I'm doing. Oh, you're really gonna bet on that horse?" I'm like, "All right, let's figure this out." But I just went there to smoke and maybe I don't know, play some blackjack. No, I'm not going to the F1 race. I'm gonna be busy. Yo, I really got bigs to go on. White t-shirt hunting right now. He went to Macy's right now to get a pack of white tees. Biggs, I was just kidding. It was a joke.
This guy went to go find a perfect white tee, iron it and everything. This guy hasn't been back in 20 minutes.
He's ordering one from Amazon right now. It's getting delivered. I was just kidding.
You and Marcos should do and Wick should do content, man. We have that plan already for Vancouver, man. Don't worry. We're going to Vancouver, all of us. Me, Marcos, Wix 9, Tyler. We're going to Vancouver to shoot content. Oh, and our Tyler M2 and the other Tyler too. Actually, we're gonna shoot content and we're gonna be just, you know, load DVS like the other and discuss future plans moving forward in August, so we'll come.
Yeah, Man City is gonna win, but I would love to see Real Madrid win. That would be amazing. Need some a Benzema legacy game.
How about Arsenal?
Arsenal's good, man. We just won 3 games in a row. We beat the reigning world champs. We beat Manchester United, and we beat West Ham, who's in the Europa semifinal, back to back to back, with a half-strength team. Put some respect on our name.
Damn.
They're coming for my neck, man.
What, the soccer monsters?
Yeah. Arsenal won't win. Well, yeah, we can't win anything, but we're going for top 4. Tottenham plays Liverpool Saturday. We play Leeds. We have a chance to go 5 points clear. What do you guys think? Yeah, they're asking us
This guy came
Manchester
back.
United opinions.
Wait, you watch soccer, Biggs?
Wait, what's that?
You watch soccer?
Not too much. No.
I thought Marco was asking about soccer. I'm like, you watch soccer?
Oh shit, no. I do a little bit. Like,
Bro.
I mean, not really though. Like,
Bro.
I like to go to games when I
Nah.
can.
You
Like
like-
union games.
You like to go see Travis Scott and jump off the stage with Travis Scott. That's what you like doing. Yo, dude, anyone peep that
Yeah,
chat?
bro.
If you follow Biggs, you would have seen that video. I'm like, yo, this guy went on stage with Travis Scott and just jumped off the stage at a concert.
Yeah, bro, Bonnaroo.
That's insane.
Yeah, I
Show 'em the
used
video. Show 'em
to.
the video.
Yeah, send the
I used
video
to
in the
make-
Discord. In the
Alright.
in the show off channel, the show and tell.
Actually, yeah, I'll do it on my phone.
No.
Yeah, that was kind of crazy story how that happened. I had to wait in line for like 9 hours just to get into like the pit where they only let like 50 people up in that area.
The front, yeah.
And that, yeah, like that was, I had to wait all day just to even get it allowed in that like section. Yeah, I like smacked my face on some girl when I landed in the crowd. I like chipped my tooth on her head because she wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I also should have like turned over. Like, I went face first. I wasn't
Lawsuit.
thinking.
Man thought he was,
Yeah.
man thought he was Jeff Hardy.
Yeah.
I would have grabbed a chair and
Thanks.
all.
Man thought he was Jeff
KO,
Hardy.
bro.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Let's see.
So did you apologize or did she apologize? Or whose fault? Like, what's going on? Who's suing who
honestly,
right now? I want to know.
She like hit. I'm pretty sure she like hit the floor and like I like helped her up and
Biggs was like,
everything,
I'm out.
Yeah, and then I just dipped back to the front, like because I wanted to get to back to my spot, but yeah, it was funny as hell,
How did it feel being next to Travis Scott?
bro. That shit was crazy. He was like he told me to like rock on or something like that, and like gave me a handshake, and I was just like, yo, all right.
Rock star shit.
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
was just.
you
like,
seen
so hyped.
Uzi and shit too, right? You seen Uzi plenty of times.
Yeah, I've seen Uzi a couple times. Like, actually, one time I was on stage with him too, like just
Yeah,
shit, like chilling.
Virgil
I was
shit.
actually on Virgil's like DJ booth, and that was pretty crazy.
You got video of that?
Yeah, Base has a lot of connections, chat. Like a lot of connections.
Yeah, I got a video of the Uzi. And then like the Migos too. Like I met them like 3 or 4 times probably. I got pictures with them.
They're like, how does this guy keep getting to the front of the line?
Bro, you just gotta finesse. Yeah.
Like, this is the 4th time we're signing his chest. Look,
Trying to
there's a
figure out
few
how I can
signatures.
do
No, but
shit.
Big is a real one though, cause like he did all this shit, and like he told me a story of how like he put his friend onto photography, and like the stuff that his friend does now for like I don't know, I guess the music industry, and it's like, man, back then, I mean, I don't know if I can share a story, but it sounded pretty
No, yeah,
crazy.
you can.
Yeah,
It
like
don't matter.
I mean, you can tell it, but it basically, yeah, you can tell a story.
Yeah, basically I made fake passes, like media passes for us to go to all these shows. Like we would go, I mean, we would drive to wherever. Like we went to the Barclays Center a couple times, like for free basically, and like wherever we would go and just make a media pass, like go print it out at the FedEx station, make like a lanyard, and show up with cameras and just walk in like we're working the event. And nobody ever said nothing, never got in trouble. And yeah, now my boy, he's like a photographer for Sheck West and like all this shit. So like, it's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's some crazy shit. All from doing illegal shit. All from doing illegal stuff. How do you make a fake pass? Like, yo, like, don't they have like a scanner, like a barcode and numbers?
So we have like a couple friends in Live Nation, and they would send us like
Your
a
mic is
picture. We
kinda-
would always have a. Wait, my mic?
Yeah.
What happened to it?
It's like choppy. Well, it was choppy. Let's unplug it again.
Yeah.
They're listening. They're listening in. Careful what you say.
Is that any better?
Yeah, I think so.
Hopefully. Yeah, I gotta get a better mic. I'm using like this shitty Razer one.
Yo, you know what to get. You know what to get.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Gotta
No
get the whole
mic?
setup. But yeah, that shit was crazy. I always thought I was gonna get in some kind of trouble, but never did. I think I
Here,
shared
you know
it
what
in
I've
Discord.
learned? I've learned that it's better to do it and then get told to stop than to ask for permission and get denied.
Yo, I like that. Yeah. 'Cause I mean, there was a couple one time it was kind of sketchy where my boy was trying to like go backstage, like all the way backstage, and like meet some people, and like they were not trying to have it. Like they were like, "How did you get these passes? Like we didn't give them to anybody." Like, and he kind of called us out, but we just dipped. Like we didn't give him a chance to like actually
It's
get
like,
us in
what?
trouble.
Run!
Yeah. I have the actual video saved somewhere, but it was like on an old phone. Like that was so long ago, bro. It's crazy.
Let's screen record it and send it.
Oh yeah, facts.
Yeah, your mic's like, it has that static sound.
Yo, works coming.
I think it's the wire or aux or something, probably. No. Damn, chat's talking about soccer. Holy. Yo, what's the debate, Marcos? I don't get it.
It's better now.
Nah, it's not better. Yo, Marcos, what's the debate? Oh, Marcos' mic is shocked too. Rice gum. That sounds funny. Guys, you have a closure in about 2 minutes here. I know we haven't talked about trading rate for the last like 30 minutes, but there's really nothing to talk about right now. You know, it's like you're waiting for a closure, and like that's all. There's no other discussion. If you get a closure above 6.9 here, it's not bad. 6.9, 6.20.
Aiden Ross or Ice Gum. No, closure above.
Yeah, 6.9, 6.30 here. A closure above here. You think bias going up? It's not too bad, not too shabby. Minute and a half. Let's see. Stops are gonna be I guess the previous count is low and TP's up here for 45 roughly. If you don't close above, then most likely we'll be chalked and there's no trades. Everyone's Mike's chalked. Marcos is chalked. The Eggs is chalked.
I don't know about that.
What a boring day. Yeah, I mean, it's alright. You plan on having merch? Yeah, you guys want to see a little preview? I'll do a Marcos.
Right there, her jacket. That's merch.
Now we have no confirmed stuff yet, but feel Marco's struggling. Ask chat Messi or no? No, I'm not asking chat that. I know that debate though. I know it's like asking like Kobe or LeBron. I'm not gonna get into that stuff. Man, like it used to be so toxic at one given point. The whole like LeBron discussion, it was so annoying. Being a LeBron fan was the most annoying thing ever. Yo, honestly, Biggs, I think you're better off using your MacBook mic. Because it has a studio microphone, your MacBook, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, wait, is it still fucking up?
No, it sounds good.
Yeah, just like unplugged everything, and I also was using Bluetooth on my AirPods to my computer.
Oh,
And I don't know, maybe like the Bluetooth was like fucking up my mic. I don't know.
no
But yeah, if it fucks up again, I'm just gonna switch to the microphone that's built in.
Yeah, guys, you gotta close your below here. Yeah, Wix, shaking your head too, right? Yeah, I know. It's you gotta close your below. Like you can say like when you're in this range again, it's just can't chop it here from this range to this range, right? So it's just in that little bubble. Yeah, I still hear it. It's weird.
raspy.
Yeah. Wait, you can't use your AirPod mic? Or your MacBook mic? But if you prefer longs, there's no longs. You're in a range, right? You're in this range from here to here, so what's the point of taking a trade here? There's no clear direction in price right now. I'll say wait for FOMC at 2 p.m. and then tomorrow Thursday and Friday should be a lot cleaner. Like trust me, chat. Like if you take a trade right now, you take a loss, you'll feel really bad about it. You'll feel really bad because you're like you know there's no true direction in price right now, and it feels worse than taking a trade and losing on it, like, as if compared to like if you were to take a trade waiting for your setups, right? It's a lot worse. It'll be a shit feeling. It's like, why didn't I just wait for a better direction in price or for a clear direction? And the fact that we closed below resistance doesn't help at all with that.
Really no setup yet. Like you're trading, you're putting entry before setup.
Yeah.
In this case, first you need a setup, then you need an entry. It's an order flow of things.
Like
It'll be
chat.
great if it drives up though by 10.
Like it's okay, like to sit here not taking any trades. Like it's just you're just building discipline, right? Like no one's holding a gun to my head saying you gotta take a trade, or I have to take a trade now, or else like I could care less if we had like a 10K viewers right now. I'm not gonna take a trade just for the stream. You know what I mean? Like the way I trade is the way I stream is the way I trade. So I'm not just gonna take positions for the stream. It's like this is how I actually trade. So right now there's no trades, right? And you can't always force like positions just because you feel like taking a position. It's alright to have an empty MT5 in a day. It's okay. You don't have to have history in MT5 every day, right? You don't gotta make money every day for FX trade, man. You have tomorrow and the day after and the day after and the week after, right? Going back to what Wick said earlier, it's like, yo, you're just gonna get shit of your own shit. Look in the mirror again. Yeah, the last thing you're gonna do is get tossed. Yeah, exactly, Koth. We just say if your strategy is range trading, then this would be a perfect stop to trade. We're in a range. You got me on mute, brother. I just discussed why there was no trades here just yet. If anything, wait for the alley candle to close. I'll wait for that. I'm here till 10 a.m. and if the alley candle closes like chalked and there's no like good ideal positions, I'm just gonna call it a day. And we'll be trading at FOMC later in like the same channel or something probably, but I'm still here, man. I'm still here at 10 a.m. An extra 30 minutes here, and if nothing happens, nothing happens. You're not reading my messages correctly. I did. You said if this is if your trading strategy is range trading, then this would be oh wow, I guess I did read correctly. What kind of question is that, Dylan? Of course it wouldn't be. I just give you the benefit of the doubt. We have taken a breakout stop on US 30. I don't trade US 30 anymore. But I mean, since we're not doing much here, let's go take a look. Since you guys love US 30. Did it work? US 30 here. What's it up? The daily here's the rapid breakdown. The daily on US 30 is bullish today. You're below the resistance. I think the weekly is pretty bearish though. Yeah, you're at support. There's no clear direction in price right now. It's at an incision level off the weekly and daily. The 4 candles in the weird range. We're breaking back into it though, so you should see some volume drop down towards like 33. Sells. I mean, more sells probably below here for me, to be honest with you. Below 33,100. Below there, coming down. It's not too bad. You can take sells coming down towards 33, but until you actually close below, there's no trades for me on US 30 if I were to trade it. That's my little rapid breakdown. This is your cleanest level of traffic, right? So you know that if you were to close below this range here, you should drop down, but if you don't, then you just be in this weird range here from 33,200 to 33,100. I'm talking about myself. Let's say that would be the strategy. I mean, yeah, that's your strategy though, right? You can't ask me about your strategy. I have no sample, like I have no data on your strategy. You trade that way because that's what works for you, right? Or I'm guessing that's what would work for you if you do have sample size on your strategy. So it's all on you, man. You can't ask me if this will work for you. Like if it works for you, it works for you. I'm in no position to say no to you. Because I have no data on it, right? Oh, look at that rejection. Perfect.
Yeah, no, I have it set on my AirPods head microphone.
A lot better.
All right, cool.
A lot better. FOMC, yeah, 2 p.m. Let me go ahead and put that in the focus thing, the focus banner.
Yo, Wix, I put on a white shirt for you, bro.
I know we already discussed that you were gone for like half hour. We thought you went to Macy's to buy a white shirt.
Macy's.
Like, we didn't mean it. We were just kidding. You didn't have to do all that.
I'd hit up the mall real quick.
You did?
Nah.
In Delaware, that's like you probably had to drive to Pennsylvania to get it.
Yeah. Nah, they actually got a lot of good shopping spots here because no tax. So like a lot of businesses, there's like a lot of businesses that are based out of here. Like you'll see a lot of corporations that are based out of Delaware. Surprisingly.
No tax, no state tax.
Yeah, no, there's like no sales tax and something else. I forget. But yeah, it's beneficial to have your business based out of Delaware. So there's like some pretty big corporations that do it.
FOMC 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m. Eastern. Okay. Sheesh. Hey, while we're chilling here, chat, we might as well go do like a desk review setup. I mean, we had nothing to do for our next 30 minutes here, or 21 minutes here, so we might as well wait for a closure and look at some desk setups, because we gotta resume on that stuff.
Yeah, I like looking through those. I gotta send a new one of mine because I got new monitors and got the new laptop and all that.
Where were we
I
last
just have to-
time?
I don't. It was a while back, probably like beginning of March.
Oh no, we're way
yeah,
up
yeah,
here.
that one. That one was clean as hell though. The one above that. With
It was this
with
one.
The triple monitors.
Oh no, it was this one, the pillow one. Or I was after this loopy. You did that one. This one. Oh yeah, this one I did already. This one is what we're on. Oh no, we did this one. I remember that. Do you trade lens sessions? Sometimes. This is a pretty nice setup. Oh no, we did this one already. I remember that one. That little footstool. This one we did. This one. I think we're on this one. I didn't see this one yet. Nice. What's this? Live like Orlando. Is that the Rock Johnson? I can't tell who that is. This little pin right here. Nice little Sharpie. PS5. Okay. Nice. It's a pretty good setup. You got a nice TV. Nice. Is that a tablet or is that a Mac? That's the Apple. That's the iPad. That's an iPad Pro, right? With the little keyboard. Yeah, it's a fire device. Broly setup. No, I got. Is that vape? What is this?
Yeah, it's
it's
a vape.
Yeah. Nice. Nice positions. I can see that day looking a lot clearer than this day. I mean, that's all you need for trading, honestly, is a laptop. What is this? You got the wheel? Oh, I used to have this wheel, the G29 Logitech. I had that. Yeah, it's fire.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, it's fire. You got DJ set. You got the Magic keys. You got some PS4 games. PS4. What do you got going on? USD. You trade. Nice. Ah, good work, man. What's this over here? Yeah. What's this? Yeah, resend yours, Biggs. Trying to see it.
Yeah, I gotta take a new picture. The only picture I have in my setup is my old setup.
Oh yeah, it's at home, right?
Yeah. Like I have a decent setup up in me and my girl, like we basically live together because I'm here all the fucking time. I just go to my place to get mail and shit.
Hey, this ain't Control FX, man. I don't know. That ain't Control FX, brother.
Kind of sucks.
Hey, but you got 1,000 monitors. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Trying to find the light speed of NASA? Holy shit. You got a monitor
That
here.
terrarium.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty fire. What plants are these? These are. That's a money tree, right? And then this looks like what's that tree called?
They're like bonsai trees.
The bonsai. Yeah, the bonsai.
Yeah, they're fire.
What's this over here though? I got another victim.
We got chart patterns.
Got 2 victims. None of them chart patterns. Yeah, another chart pattern victim. Not bad of stuff though. I mean, yeah, quite a shit ton of monitors. Do you need those monitors to trade? Holy shit, it's 5 monitors. What are you gonna do? This. Oh, nice fishes. Yeah, nice little desk. Yeah. Pretty cool. I like the setup. It's pretty solid.
Hey, that's fire. With the fish. I like that.
This is a clean setup. Got 2 monitors here. One for trading, one for that's all you need. Yeah, nice little. I have the same phone stand as you, man. 7 black. Fire. That's pretty fire. Any suspicious activity? DVS, okay. Any stop loss matters? I peeped that. Shout out to him. No biggie, new lights maybe. This is fire. Yeah, just pretty standard. Nice little PC. One PC. Yeah, you don't need lights, man. Trust me. You have lights, your eyes are gonna burn. Like, I don't know. Which time does he have lights on? I know damn well he never has his lights on, too.
What's in the jar?
The
What
jar.
lights?
The jar. This is coffee.
Oh, coffee. I can't tell.
What's this?
But is it really coffee in there?
Damn. This is yeah, you
It's
should,
definitely not,
That's
dude.
fire.
your favorite store is definitely Uniqlo, bro.
This is
No,
a
not
woman's
Uniqlo.
setup, definitely.
Miniso and what's the store called? Muji. Muji pants are
That's
fire
a
though.
girl setup. You know how I know it's a girl setup? Not the colors. It's the sticky notes.
Wait, this is Charles. Is this Charles?
Look at the handwriting. That's a woman's handwriting.
Nah, this is Charles. This is Charles. He
No
might,
way, men are that neat.
but he's with his girl though, so it might be.
Men are not that neat. Look at that handwriting. What's it say on the notes, yo? Let's read up.
You know, no setup is safe. Always zoom it.
Money allocation. Your paycheck goes into. Oh yeah.
Nuance.
Oh, this is money allocation. Okay. Money management. Trading
Money
plan.
allocation.
This is what I like to see. Ooh, KLTFX, red flag. I'm kidding. I've seen this logo. I'm like, that's KLTFX. All right. What does it say? To scale that account, you need to stop over trading because it's gonna be a long-term investment for yourself and your future. Yep. Slow and steady. Not get rich quick. Stop over trading. You didn't have money. Did I trade on news? Wait for your setup. Yeah, pretty solid setup. Pretty neat. This thing flips, right? Ooh, what's this? This looks kind of cozy. Pretty solid. He blurred out the stuff because I know he knows
Yeah, I
I
was gonna
peep,
say he blurred it.
he knows I peeped everything. He knows I look at everything in the setup. I mean, you sent the picture, so I gotta look at it.
It's a Ziploc and it's got white powder in it. What's the powder? Is that sugar? What is it?
Is that
baking soda?
sugar? Oh shit! Nothing happened. Oh, GJ. All right. What is this? Okay. I like it. MacBook. I used to have a MacBook like that. That's a bit older version, but yeah. MacBooks last a long time. TV connected to the monitor. Yeah, so you tell me this MacBook is running this and this? That's crazy. Pretty good for a MacBook. That's old, to be honest. Pretty solid. One Life FX. It's pre-workout, guys.
Sure.
Prop firm payout got me upgraded, and now I can hop on downstream smoother. Tax write-off. MK. We get the OG,
he's
OG
definitely
ones
on-
too.
He's on the FTMO payroll.
Oh no, that's a new one.
100%.
That's a new one. That's a new one. Ooh, back-to-back older MacBooks. Very nice.
Full potential.
What you googling? Okay, download the software. Nice. Okay. What water is this? Can I go there? I can't go there. Ozark. What country is that? I know New York got spring water, or Irish Spring, whatever it's called. Not Irish Spring. Stein Desk, pretty solid. Nice PC.
We have Poland Spring in New York. Irish Spring.
That's the soap. That's the bar soap in Canada.
Yeah, the green one.
Yeah, or in North America.
Irish.
Okay. Nice
man.
little keys. You got the nice keyboard, nice PC with a little. Who's that? It's
Wizard
Very
buttons
fire.
right there.
Yo, what's this key in your? Oh, that's a USB port. Nice, this is fire. I like that. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. You draft, bro? Like this thing is high as shit. Like, look at me like this. This is high. Like, you know how high that is? Like you're gonna be like.
Maybe you don't see his chair. Maybe he's on a fucking.
Bro, that's high. That's pretty high
on a
up.
beanie sack. Maybe he's on a beanie sack looking up.
They said the top of your PC should like be your eyes. Like that's where it should be. No, but damn, this guy look at
That's clean though. That's really
that's a clean. That's a nice wire management. Yeah, it's a pretty clean setup overall. Nice, good work, man. Very nice setup. I like it. Leave a like on that. Oh, we got an anime person. Is it anime? No, it's not anime. I can't tell. No, it's not anime. It's just pop art.
Comics.
Oh, Star Wars collectors. Yo, you're a collector for sure. Yeah, comic collectors. Yeah, this is fire, man. Yeah, this is a pretty this shows a lot of your personality too. I like it. What's this over there? Are those cigarettes, man? I don't judge, but nice work. I can't zoom in. That's the max I can zoom in. That might be a joint. Got a lighter here.
Stand, the little display stand, the glass one. It's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's fire. The little light inside too. Got a little footrest.
Like that.
This is cozy. This is
Yeah,
very cozy.
fire.
And the TV's behind too. Like you can just see your trays like from far. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty good setup. I like these posters up here too.
What you don't see behind him is a guy with a gun going, trade, motherfucker.
PS5. Yeah, this is a nice room. I like this room. It's a very nice room. I like it.
Dude, where do you get all these glowy toys? I like that shit.
Yeah, it's fire, man. What dropped? Oh, nice. You got a closure in 9 minutes here, chat. Sells below 1958, okay? Below 1858 are my sells. So don't worry. Don't say yo done, you missed the move, because this is a trade I wouldn't have taken either way even if I was looking at it, chat. All right. So don't worry. I'm waiting for my setups, and it's gonna be below 1858, okay? 1858, maybe below 1862. Is that range too? Nah, it's maybe a 1 hour closure below. Let's see. How big is that range going down? 4 pips? Not bad. We might get subs at 9 a.m. And GG's still in the range here, so there's nothing just yet. Check gold. Hello, Chassis. Check gold. Marcus, where'd you go?
My headphones died, so I put them to charge and then ran an errand.
He's been to the gym
Yo,
and back.
you went outside or something? Right, looks so wet.
Yeah, I ran to the bank.
Damn.
I blew my account, so I had to deposit more.
Nice.
Yeah.
One of my favorite activities.
Going to the bank?
Yeah, long walks to the bank. I skip to the bank. No, more like frolic. I frolic to the bank. The bank employees are always so miserable in there, and then I walk in and everyone's so happy. I swear they love it when I walk in there. The managers hate it because I bullshit with everybody.
7 minutes here. Yo, is this a range 2? I mean, 4 hours birth of lows, like dailies, slowly flipping. I mean, this is not bad. How big is depends on how we close her, honestly, chat. It comes down to how we close her, because I'm gonna
what I want, right?
I'm gonna remove this line because it's irrelevant here. What do you want? Wick special?
Well, once we close below here, I really want to close strongly below here. And a little bullish candle. When we break that, and it's clearly a range 2, because then we would have closed below it and then formed the support, and now we're breaking it. Just on the 30, right? We got to close below. I mean, oh, actually, we're getting an hourly closure, so now it's an hourly's good here.
The hourly's not bad.
Yeah. Let's just get a closure first, because if it respects, it's
Then-
another candle.
Then call it a day. Yeah, you have 6 minutes here.
Yeah, Marcos, I'm peeping your frames right now. I need blue light glasses that fit with my AirPods. I don't know how you're.
They got the nice thin frame. They're from,
Yeah.
William Painter.
Yeah, they're nice.
Terrible service, but
Chad, if we don't get to your desk setup today, we'll get to it tomorrow.
No, we'll get through it. We'll get through it today. There's a lot. Oh, there's 18 more. Yeah, you guys are going crazy out there. I like it. I like doing this though. It's pretty fun. Maybe if we don't get closure, we'll spend the last like 30 minutes just chilling and talking about stuff and stuff. I guess. Let's lock it in for the next 5 minutes.
And this is exactly how you get done to go from I'm staying till 9:45. So maybe we'll chill till 10:30.
And then we'll chill till 11, and then we'll wait for 12, and then we'll wait till FOMC, and then we don't.
We're not.
And then we have no trades for a day.
And then everyone's head is like mind fucked.
Yo, bro, we should make a channel for playbooks. You guys make your own playbooks. I mean, who's really gonna make their own playbook and do all that work? But whatever your notes are, send your notes into the channel, and then boom, you guys share notes. That's pretty fire.
Birds chirping in that channel.
What do you mean? Everyone's
be
gonna disagree.
silence. It's gonna be silence in that channel. I don't think people will post there.
Really?
Yeah, but if like they have a trade, like look, even right now we have trade setups and people post shit that happens after. What do you? I don't know. I want to see stuff that happens before this, so we can discuss it and get educated. Because then you see it, you know, happen live. Can you explain Wix special? He's right here. Wix is special.
The Wix special. I'll go to the game tonight, Chad. I'm not gonna lie to you. Fuck, I really want to go.
Yeah, but you didn't make any money today. Can you really justify it? Like if you want to trade today, I'd be like, yo, tickets right now. Get tickets now.
All right,
I bet you that's
all
why
right,
your
Chad.
head
Gonna
would
have a
be
sell
at.
stop here. Kidding.
You just had 1,300 people had a heart attack.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Yo, Don, what do you mean? What do you mean? What are you talking about, Don?
What are you talking about? I missed the train? What happened? I go to the bathroom and this what happens?
Yo, I don't know why people go to the bathroom like at the worst times. Like, how can you not like anticipate a trade coming? You know what I mean? Like, come on.
Don't worry, I'll shit my pants before I go. Is that what you want him to be like? That's why you have the wizard buttons. You can take your phone and your wizard buttons and enjoy the bathroom.
No, it's not in hand. It's on Ticketmaster. I can just purchase right now and just go later, right? But I'm looking at tickets.
Didn't you say you bought the playoff tickets before and you were gonna resell them, or that was just game one?
That already happened. That was game one only. I should have
You
bought.
for the series.
No, I should have bought for game 7 and 5 and stuff too.
But what happens in those cases? You get reimbursed if
If you don't sell them, you lose money.
no, I mean like if those games don't happen.
Oh yeah, you get refunded. Yeah. What's W for it? You gotta be here. You know, if you're cultured into the stream, you just know. It just means win. Like it's just W. Like just win in general. Like positive vibes, you know. Yeah, the Wix special here. What Wix now is waiting for is just to start play. He wants to see a closure below here, and then like he wants to go the extra mile and wait for the actual bullish channel closure. But that bullish channel closure gotta respect that resistance, and then on a breakdown lows, That's where his sell stop's gonna be. And then as price comes down here and does something like this, that's when he'll take a trade. All right.
We need to close below. We need to form a bullish candle and close bullish, respecting our not above our resistance, newly formed resistance, right? And then which would establish a support below the previous resistance or below the previous support, which formed resistance. And then if we break it, it's volume times right now. We break that, you know, that formed support during volume time. We're gonna drive down to the next level, probably 1853, 1858, 53. And it's the trade we took, I think yesterday, or London, no, Asian session. We took a trade here in this range, right?
Off the forward candle though, it was different. Forward breakout lows was it was off of this one here, right here, I think. Chat.
That range, no, it was the one above it. No,
is it?
Yeah, I think.
Oh yeah, it was right here. 1864, yeah, around there. Guys, yeah, ZJ, yeah, ZJ. If you want the spreadsheet, just you see how it says like record, you have your record right next to it says exclamation point trades. Do that in the chat, and a link should pop up to all that good stuff. All the good shit's over there, man, for free. Oh, you didn't get a closure below.
No bueno.
Yeah.
No bueno.
Peace and love.
It's kind of chalk for me, I think.
Oh, chat.
Gladiator candle. Next.
Wordo?
At least until FOMC.
Yeah,
I think I might just go to the
FOMC.
gym.
My day is down here. There's no trades for me. If you guys feel impulsive, then you know feel impulsive, but it's not. There's no trades for me here until like probably FOMC here at 2 p.m. I might stream, I might not. I'll let you guys. I'll update you guys in about like an hour or so on my IG. Yeah, word over real quick. No, yo, hi chat. Wordo, and then desk setups, and then we'll hop off. Or we might save desk setups for tomorrow. Trade.
It's not even a question, yeah.
Why'd you back? Why'd you
gotta
delete
gotta
it?
start somewhere.
You have to wait for the
Why'd
right.
you delete it?
You have to wait for the right moment.
He's waiting for the candle to close.
Oh!
IN. Train.
Yes, train. Oh my god, if that was real, bro, that'd be the greatest Wordle like on stream.
Look, eventually it has to be. All right, chat. We'll see you later.
No, that was the quickest Wordle. Wow.
Awesome.
It's gonna be trade one of these days. Like it's gonna.
Easy
You gotta
clap.
stick to it.
We just beat chat again.
Yeah,
The
we
day
beat
we-
chat 3 in a row. We beat chat.
The day we switch it up, it's gonna be trade.
Second try. Damn. Trade. Yeah, I was like, I wait for the
Nice.
right moment.
Good vibes. Good vibes.
It's the trade train.
It'll be up one day, chat. It'll be one day. GJ? No, there's no sales for me. We're at support here, right? I want to see you break the lows and then get a closure below, but I'll probably call it a single channel. Probably at 10:30 or something, 11. Give me one valid reason why I should stay, chat. Give me a valid point and I'll consider, but one
What
valid
else you got to
reason.
do? What else are you gonna do?
Go
Live-
outside, touch grass.
touch grass, get some sun. Hi, join Discord. Ask me to join Discord.
Yeah, I think I'm about to hop off and go to the gym.
Peace out, T-Bigs.
Get it done before FOMC and stuff.
Peace
Get
out.
back by like noon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Down me up when you get back. I
Later,
wanna talk
Biggs.
to you.
Who, me?
Alright, yeah, I'll hit you up.
Biggs. Oh. Later, man.
All right, boys. I'll talk to you.
Later.
Peace and love.
Later, brother. Peace and love. Cut grass? Nah, touch grass. Touch grass. You know, like,
No, he's going to work.
Said cut
He's
grass.
mowing somebody's lawn.
no, like, go touch grass. Touch grass. Like, get
Yo,
some
Don, when you're done, can you touch up
nature.
my shit too? Whenever you're done, my yard needs some work too, dog.
Wicks her touch gas. We're in the street.
We
What do you
done?
mean? Bro, is all cement here? No, I got grass in my backyard. Am I done? Yeah, I'm done. I'm not trading, but I want to do some desk reviews, but should we save it for tomorrow? Yeah, like 20 to go. You done?
Let me see. I can't see them on Zoom.
A lot of cool lights right there. It's a cool color.
All right, here, I got you on Zoom. That better?
Yes.
All right, we'll do a couple of desktops, chat. I think we left off right here. This is
That was
top.
fire.
This is fire, man. Like all the shit. Like yeah, we went through this
I like
already.
the shit on the ceiling, just because it's on the ceiling.
Pretty. It shows a lot of personality. I get why someone could say, "Yo, it's not professional, man." Not everything has to be professional, man. It's your own room, for God's sakes. You know, it's like put some life in it. I mean, if it's in a work office, then different, but it's your own room, man. Ah, sheesh. Got some. All right. Got a nice phone stand. Got some nice glasses, nice razor, wireless charger. Damn, this is a lot of LED light.
That's a nice desktop. I mean, tabletop.
That's marble, right? IKEA.
One piece.
IKEA. Yeah, you can build a nice desk from IKEA, yeah. The only thing about this, man, is
The floor creaks.
we got another victim here, guys.
Are those fibs? Those arrows?
Like a gold. We discussed gold. There's nothing for gold. Like even if price were to drive down here, I can care less. There's no trade. We didn't get a closure below. It's not. There's no
I
value.
said mine. Mine's a work in progress though.
What is this?
That floor definitely creaks.
The big
Bitcoin.
carriers work harder.
Chelsea. Trash.
Trash. I knew it was coming.
Trash.
Okay.
I love a minimal setup.
This is all you need, man. Honestly,
Yeah.
I don't like the idea of having a desk on your table. One, radiation, and two, it takes up a shit ton of space. Right?
What radiation? What are you talking about?
Because doesn't the heat like go on your face and doesn't it get like annoying and shit? No.
Talking about?
Like the PC on a desk, if you sit right next to your PC, like the heat and the fan, like
My PC's
Mine's
right there.
huge. Mine would take up half my desk.
on top of that, it takes up so much space on your PC.
Mine's got
On
a
a curved
separate desk
monitor.
of its own. It's got its own stand.
Yeah, it's a thing. No radiation. Am I tripping? It's like
I don't
heat.
know from a,
I know it's not good
from-
for you though.
but there's nothing. I mean, what?
Oh,
Radio waves?
what a flex, man. $65 to a Champions League game? I mean, the capacity is probably hella big. Yeah.
Not bad. Little ass monitor.
That's all you need, I guess. This is all you need.
Why is it not rolled?
You,
Is
you,
it
said,
rolled?
you sent this already. Yeah, it is. You sent this already. What is
V
this?
As V friends.
Is art? Where's VFriends? That's not VFriends, is it? Looks like VFriends. 38. Oh, what sentence is that? Is that the black one? Or a green one? Or purple one? Magic Keys V2, nice. LED lights, nice.
New car scent.
Now, what chart is this? Gold? Oh, I like this is a nice chart. Buys above here, subs below, range through breakout. That's pretty clean. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Nice chart review. New way of saying charts. Oh, we got another Bitcoin.
That's what you want behind you? You want it to say Donvo,
DVS.
DVS? Oh, just like that though, right? Glowing.
Yeah. Yes. Nice,
DVS.
nice McLaren setup. It's not bad. What is
'Cause
this?
It's 3:45 a.m. It's London time.
You're watching Game of Thrones? Not bad. I mean, yeah,
I
pretty
used
big
to have that
setup.
laptop.
Huh?
I used to have that kind of laptop.
Yeah.
Nice. Classic.
I need shelves, man. I need to get shelves at the back. Yeah, back in my room. Shelves are clutch.
Those are some nice blinds too.
Oh shit! What are these? Are these even
They
blinds?
They roll up. I have those, and one of my.
How's it work? So like, it's just a flat piece of surface, and that thing.
No,
like...
they're like this, and like the other, like they're striped, and it's like clear, solid, clear, solid. So if it goes up a little, like they're behind each other, they'll go up a little, and it's gonna be clear. Like the
okay,
stripes, the parts that you can't see, they'll be on top of each other.
So
There's two layers right there.
this moves and this doesn't move.
Yeah, when it's two layers. No, one goes up, one goes down. They're right behind each other. You don't see them.
Oh shit, it's fire.
And they overlay, and then once they overlay on top of each other, you'll have stripes where
So
you can see through.
no sun can come in. It's
Yeah,
thin
it's
though,
pretty dope,
right?
and it's on a button. It's very thin, yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty standard. This is like a Fortnite setup. You definitely play Fortnite. That is a lot.
Indicator.
Huh?
That indicator.
You need night mode on YouTube.
The hell is that?
Why are you still in light mode?
Yeah.
Well, that's today, May the 4th.
Fuck, I got 25. Chat, should we just wait for tomorrow?
They're trying to do this on purpose, so you stay till FOMC.
I didn't even finish
sending
it.
them in.
I think we
Keep sending
resumed
them
them. We do more tomorrow, man. This is a lot to go through, and tomorrow will be a better day. To like our setups. Get some sun, chat. It's nice outside today. It's 11 degrees in Canada here today, Toronto. It's gonna be tonight a high of 16, a low of 7 of showers. 83% rain. 88% humidity. It's been humid. FOMC later? I don't know. I don't know. I want to, but I don't know. I may not. I may not. I will. I'll update you guys on IG. Follow my Instagram page or follow the Discord. It'll be an announcements channel. I'll announce if I would or not. But worst case, chat, tomorrow will be a cleaner day, man. Trust me. There will be a trade tomorrow. I'm pretty sure with the volume you have tomorrow, you'll get something out of Asian, London, or New York. All right. So be on the lookout. It's gonna be an algo day probably tomorrow, I'm guessing. And Friday should be a continuation as well. All right. That's it, man. I think I'm gonna call it, chat. So peace out. Have a good day. Come back tomorrow. Come back tonight. Good luck training FOMC if you guys are training FOMC, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. All right, at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Peace out. Love you guys. Peace out.
But
Here still, we're gonna show you guys a corp call real quick before I hop off. So corp call right here. Let's go to it. All right, so moment you guys been waiting for it.